Morning, guys. There we go. Whatever, bro. Hi, good morning. Good morning, Raj. It's Happy Friday. What's it called? Thank God it's Friday? No, I'm just sad it's Friday, man. I don't like Fridays, bro. I love Mondays, man, to be honest. Ali, hi. Rizwan, bro. Good morning. All right. This is all messed up. This price action is, it's like noodles. Oh. Cherry, hi. Good morning, bro. You guys, y'all made it in time, man. Go Peanut, bro. Good morning. Barkat Ali. Good morning, bro. What a glorious fall. Absolutely. Can you guys can't hear me? Seriously? Oh shoot. Hello? That works. Yo, sorry man. This should work. So what were we talking about? Yeah, bro, yesterday the fall was just where is it? Oh, sorry, I'm in the futures chart. There you go, boys. Someone said the stop loss was taken in micro gold. Well, I'm just glad it didn't take it in spot. What a trade though. What a trade. Yeah, at this point, as usual, guys, I don't hope for anything to happen when I'm inside a trade. Yeah, if I get a TP, magnificent. But what am I going to do, or what am I going to lose if it goes to TP? What, 50 to $100? That's it. So it should not bother you, to an extent where it spoils your whole day. At least you should get there, right? Mentally. So good morning. Thank you, Ronnie, bro. Good morning. Have a nice day. Congratulations falling from 40.32 to 40.34. Was your sell? Yeah, Marshall, bro. Yeah, man. I was so close. Dave, good morning. By the way, what a trade that was. Hats off. This one, bro. Thank you, man. Guys, it's been a great week. I mean, it's been a great 10 days so far. The past in the past 8 days, I think we've taken seven 1:3 take profits, man. And 99% of it was in live. So I'm just happy. I'm very happy. So we will get back to today. Guys, everything that happened until yesterday stays in the past. All we do as a trader is focus on today because you never know what you get. And all that matters is today, man. Right now, I'm thinking, was that an ash right there? You guys ready for some risk this morning? Wow. And this look way too crowded for me, man. Hold on, guys. I'll come back to the comments. I'm just trying to confirm if that's ash right there. Oh, that zone was taken at 5:25 a.m. Yeah, my best friend is always right. Sorry, guys. I was just seeing if this was the right zone, but that was taken at 5:25. I completely forgot. That's a rule, boys and girls. Any zone that I have, I want it to be taken within the session. I don't care about anything else. Okay. Whatever happened here doesn't matter. Even if it's 5 minutes before, it shouldn't matter, right? I don't mind zones getting created, in the prior sessions or even the last day, but I do mind it getting tapped, you know, 5 minutes before. So we wait. We will wait. That that is a stop and zone. Good morning, bro. Sundar, can you please check whether the candle closure below previous valid confluence of 313 entry 4073.36? When did that happen, bro? Rizwan, can you give me a time, my brother? Bala, bro, good morning, man. Marshall, I didn't enter on that trade because I was not sure that trade in the afternoon. But I saw the falling from 4032. Regretting, bro. Marshall, bro, listen, not all setups are going to look pretty, but it doesn't matter. As long as it hits your confluences and your rules, you should jump on it. Lizzie, hi. Ranjit, bro, hi, man. Good morning. Good morning, guys. David, bro, hi. What happened yesterday? Stayed yesterday, agreed mindset because market doesn't care either. Bro, yesterday we took a TP, man. Yesterday, market fell to bloody Armageddon, man. That was glorious yesterday, bro. That was the entry, as you guys saw on live. Price was teasing us to go to stop loss, very close. And now you guys know why I keep stressing on the buffer. It almost took us out, man. Almost took us out. And that's why we keep a buffer on top of it. And yeah, the rest is history. So congrats to the ones who took it. Bro, right now I see so many ash zones, man. I'm sorry, I'm checking 3 on 3. Good morning, Abhishek, bro. Good morning, man. Rizwan, 5130. Give me 1 second, boys. That's ash right there, man. All right. Guys, don't let the previous days cloud your judgment. If the rules are there, I'm going to execute. Even I like this tap right here. That's 2 candles towards the upside. That's an ash tap too. 5:30. Yeah, it happened at 5:30. Hold on, guys. I want to do this right. If this gets tapped, I will disregard this one. Yeah, it literally got tapped, but I needed to take it. Excuse me. 56 seconds. Yep. We will consider that the ash zone. That's the ash zone tap. If this is a strong closure without closing below this, let's take a shot right there. All right. That's going to be a riskier, excuse me. That's going to be a riskier play than usual, but we will take it. Hold on, guys. I'm going to lock in. 20 seconds. Oh, don't leave me. Come on. I'm going on a short here, man. Right there. That's the entry. Stop loss. I'll tell you the reasons, guys. Hold on. Targeting a 1:3. Didn't get the best of fields, but we'll take it. Hold on. 49.98. 50.9. It's definitely a bad fill. I was late on this to jump, but it is a trade, man. I'm going to lose $11 more if this goes sideways, but we will take it. All right. So that's the first trade for this morning. Let's see if this holds. Entry, stop loss, TP. All right. I'm coming back to the chat. Yeah, I'm doing too many things at once. Come on. Rizwan, bro, I completely forgot about your question, man. I'll come back to it. Lizzie, hi. I'll come back to it, bro. Um, Good morning, bro. Good morning, Abhishek. 15:30, 15:30, 3:30 p.m. Bro, you might be in a different time zone, man. Uh, will gold reach 4,000? Bro, if it reaches, we're taking a TP right there. Noted. Have a nice day. You're welcome, bro. Raj, good morning, man. Sendil, bro, good morning. Olu, bro, good morning, man. Thank you for joining, boys and girls. Yes. UAE. I don't know what UAE time to my time is, man. So, hold on, let me explain this trade. People, as you guys know, we, one second. Yeah. We're actually trading Ash nowadays. Okay. So Ash is nothing but smaller zones, right? I need I need two candles on either sides. That's Ash. So two green candles, two red candles. That's all I look for when it comes to Ash. All right. That's very aggressive zones. So that's Ash right there. What did price do? Price swept Ash at exactly 5:30, man. That's a beautiful sweep for me. All right. Second candle was a valid closure without taking the next zone. The next zone was tapped. Again, guys, this is the comic chart. This is the futures, all right? This is the reasoning behind this trade. I'm going to hold this, all right? So first candle taps, second candle gives us the confirmation. We hop on a shot, stop loss above, 100 pips above the Ash zone, 52.3, 53.3, okay? And what are we targeting, man? As usual, boys and girls, we will never deviate from the target, which is a 1:3, all right? That's it. That's the trade for this morning. That's the first trade. We will see what happens, okay? It's a good start, looks like. It's actually a great start, to be honest. We have these huge zones. We're gonna see what's gonna happen, bro. Price can tap this and give a reaction from there, but once we get the trade, we set, we forget. Okay, that's the first trade for today. We have three more for today, so let's not worry about that. All right. All right. Minus 1.5 hours. Okay. 15:30. So 15:14. 14 is what? 2 p.m. 2 p.m. yesterday. Okay. I'm gonna look at it, bro, right now. Let's look at it. 2 p.m. yesterday. 2 p.m. Okay, somewhere there. 2 p.m. There. Somewhere here. Okay. Sandil Kumar, yes, sir. It has been executed. It is live. 2 p.m. Bro, I don't see a zone here, man. Let me put on the indicator so that. Oh, you're talking about this one? 222, that is. Bro, can you be specific, man? Because 2 p.m. for my time, I don't see exactly the zone because 2 p.m. is here. I don't see a zone in this area, man. Maybe here, of course, 313. Price did come back to tap it, but eventually got sacked. Yeah, we are seeing a reaction from the low, I think. Oh, hasn't taken the low. Good morning, Madan, bro. Hi. Bro, Rizwan, man, can you DM me, bro, in Discord? I'll take a look at it, man. Right now, let's focus on this trade. I don't want to miss any 3 on 3s. Yeah, hope I haven't missed any this morning. Nope. 1,450. Let's go. Guys, we successfully hit 450 subs. Good job, man. For those of you new, welcome to the stream. And you're welcome to join Discord community if you'd like. We have a very good community going. Yesterday was fun, boys and girls. We were actually talking about the TP and trying to push it down. That was hilarious, man. Yeah, that was fun, boys. All right. Let's see if this holds. Has this been taken in the future? No, it hasn't. All these zones down here. Interesting. Oops. We actually pushed it. Absolutely, bro. Rajit, bro, man. We pushed it, bro. I think five of us were there doing the deed. Yeah, man. Eventually, we pushed it, bro. Yo, I was so happy, man, yesterday. Because, guys, yesterday, you guys know I did miss a TP live. I saw it late. I was confused on the rules. Two things happening at the same time, and also talking to you guys. Everything is happening for me. And I'm like, what am I doing? I was so angry on myself, but It worked out, man. We were focused on the next trade. Rajat, bro, thanks to you, man. I got my focus back and I was like, okay, the past is past and let's just focus on the next trade. It worked out fine, bro. But it did take like 9 more hours to get that TP that I wanted, but it worked out, man. Bro, in futures firm, can you do gold futures? Bro, the futures firm have been designed to do futures, bro. So I think you can. Um, let's say if I'm doing top step, they'll give me XAUUSD. I, I'm not 100% sure, bro, to be honest. Hope Sherry bro is sleeping now. No, man. Sherry bro is right here, bro. He's sitting here, bro. As I have strategy in Nifty 50. Oh, if Funning Pip's able to. No, man. Funning Pips, you won't be able to trade Nifty, bro. I don't think so. Can you? I'm not sure, guys. I cannot answer the questions that I don't know. Hi, good morning. Let's see what happens to this trade. It's early. In futures firm, can we do gold futures? Guys, help me out here. In Top Step, if you guys have traded, I have traded in Top Step. I didn't trade gold back then. I was trading NQ. I'm not 100% sure, bro. You have to check that out, my brother. See, Sherry bro is always here, man. He's always listening, bro, for the right moment to speak up. There you go. You can't do Nifty in funny pips, man. All right, price is reacting from this area, man. Right there. That was taken, I think, with futures. Let's check. Yeah, this area was taken in futures. There you go. Let's see if this trade survives. God mode. God. Bro, usually, man, it's it's kind of associated with luck because there's two things that happen here. The first zone that was tapped for me was this ash zone. The second zone has been tapped is this one, right? Hold on. So sometimes, bro, the first zone works. Sometimes the second does. All right. It's all about it's all about what happens first, and then which one has the more liquidity to it, um, or more people sitting down to it. So maybe we will stick to this no matter what. And then if this goes to a sell, okay, I'll look for other trades. Guys, I will execute whatever comes first, regardless of what is sitting after, correct? Can you suggest any strategy in Nifty, sir? I don't, guys, to be honest, Nifty was a nightmare when I traded it, man. The amount of manipulations in Nifty, bro, there wasn't a specific structure to it when I was looking at, um, when I was actually trading it back 2 years back, I think. Bro, I did lose a ton of money, man. I'm not gonna touch it again, bro. Guys, the pair to trade is gold because very reliable, bro. Very reliable. Speaking of reliability, today I haven't checked the news yet. It's 5:55 a.m. on the 24th July. Let's see, man, 24th July. Oh, wow. No news, guys. I love that. I love that. Very true. It's very manipulated nowadays, which take me off from Nifty. Yeah, bro. Rajit, bro. Too much going on in Nifty, man. It's just not dependable. Do you really think gold will go down? Any confirmations? My strategy says it can, it might, and that's why I'm going to trade, my brother. But let's see, guys. Again, when your strategy says there's a setup, you take it. The rest is, whatever happens, right? Don't worry about whatever else is going to happen in the markets. All you have to do is execute your strategy and wait. Yes, eventually it'll work. You are going to have good weeks. You're going to have bad weeks. It will show up, man. All right? Just trust your strategy, guys. I trust mine to the fullest. Just because it gives me a bad week doesn't mean that it's a bad strategy, right? But last week has been glorious. Good morning from UK. Let's go. Thank you for joining, man. Sahil, bro. Good morning. It's going good, man. How are you? Any ideas about central pivot range strategy? CPR? No clue. Let's see if the winning streak continues, guys, because it has been glorious for the last how many days? We've got wins for last 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 days, man. Two SLs before and then a win before. 6 days, we've got one is to threes, at least one is to three. Let's see if it continues. So we've got four trades today. That's the first one. Let's see. Bro, it's lovely trading with you. You are very precise. Bro, thank you for saying that, man. This past week has been good, bro. I can't say that about the week before. Guys, again, it's a wave, man. It's like a sine wave, my brothers. It's gonna happen. Um, but I appreciate it, man. Thank you so much for saying that. Krish, bro, how to buy funny pips challenge safe other than credit card? Bro, other than credit card, I don't see any other methods, man. You gotta use the credit card. What's safer than that, bro? Crypto, I think you can. Market is choppy thanks to Uncle Trump. Yeah, bro, he's mean. Bearish now, you will hit the TP. Bro, Raj, if I do, man, I'll be happy, bro. Let's see, you guys. Let's see. And I was actually waiting for the 3 on 3, which didn't show up. Bro, do I trade only Asia session? Yeah, bro. Exclusively Asian trader, man. Peaceful right here in Asia, bro. You get decent setups, good moves. I like Asia, man. I'm from Chennai, my brother, South India. Where are you from, brother? Good morning, Balaji bro. How's it going, man? Welcome to the stream, people. Cool, I'm from UK. Let's go. Yo, I have so many people watching from UK, man. Lots of love, boys. Guys, Danny just told me this morning that he also trades from UK, and I totally forgot about the time difference. It's what, 2 a.m. in UK or 1 a.m.? Bro, you guys are hardcore, man. If you even give me a couple of $100, I'm not waking up at night to trade, bro. I mean, a couple of $100,000. Bro, I can't do nights, man. I'm not a night person. Hats off to you people. I can never do it. You guys are amazing. Bro, if crypto works, how to do help me, bro. Bro, crypto, I think you can pay from Binance, get USDT, and then pay from Binance, bro. I think that's an option. Huge moves, awesome start. Balaji, bro, thank you, man. Let's see, bro. China's not trading gold anymore. By the way, I'm from Manchester. Let's go. Lots of love from UK. Bro, I didn't see that. China's not trading gold anymore. That's what they say, man. You know the amount of reserve, the gold reserve China has, bro? Those guys are insane, man. I think they've collected enough reserve and they don't want to do it anymore. That's insane, bro. Because the last news I saw was they claim that they have way more gold than the US. Bro, that's interesting for me, man. Vishal, good morning, man. Hello. Guys, this is sometimes nerve-wracking to just watch price, play with your entry. Oh, God. It's awesome, though. China has been buying massive gold. See, Sherry bro agrees because we watch gold news very aggressively, man. Any effect on Asian sessions then? Sahil bro, don't worry about it, man. They will claim one thing, they'll do something else. They're like Trump, half like Trump. Trump is Trump. So I'll take that back. Um, Man, they'll say one thing and do something else. They're trying so hard, you know, to make the world buy oil or the goods in CNY in their own currency. They don't want US dollars to be the currency for oil being bought. And they've been trying so hard to push their currency into the markets because they want to take USD from the gold standards. So it's been going on for a while, man. China trying to, discredit USD because USD is the standard, right? So oil has been calculated in terms of USD. Always, always. That's been the norms until this point. China has been trying very hard to change that fact because they don't want USD to be as strong as it's always been. And guys, USD has been gaining a lot of strength, man. Even recently, guys, compared to INR, bro, it sat at 96 rupees. So 96 times $1 at some point. Right now, what is it? USD, INR. But I did not know that it's almost 97. Guys, when we bank the payouts, man, we're gonna, bro, we're gonna be rich. That's almost 97 times, guys. Yo, before before 4 years, when I was in Canada, man, it was 82, bro, 82. It's gone from 82 rupees per USD to 97 per USD, guys. That's insane, bro. I can't believe that. Whoa. China can do whatever they want. No one they rule. Absolutely, sir. They'll do anything that they want. Bro, some are facing bank freeze problems. How to avoid it? Krish, if you do P2P, bro, they will freeze your bank, man. Because There are a lot of sketchy P2P sellers out there, bro. It's going to be hard for you, man. I'd recommend not to do P2P when you're trading with Binance. Very mean people out there, man. I've had my bank account frozen, bro. So that's a possibility, man. Bro, please can you help me check the direction of Coco for swing like 3 months to come? Bro, what are you talking about the commodity cocoa, bro? Like cocoa beans? That's interesting. USD is used to oil trade. Absolutely. Hope the Fort Knox gold audit happens sooner. There could be some massive price shift. Sherry, bro, I think they're bluffing, man. I don't think they have the gold that they used to. I think that's a big bluff, bro. USD is strong because of the current war situation. Absolutely. I agree, bro. $1 is equal to Pakistan 280 rupees. Wow. Guys, if you can make some money with trading, man, you're freaking millionaires out there, bro. In Pakistan. My God, bro, 280? That's insane, bro. Most of the country depends on China. Yeah, a lot of goods from China. Totally agree. If China stops trading, Trump will start tweeting in Asian session, bro. Yeah, I know. Hence the audit happened sooner. Sherry, bro, those lying people, man. All right. Price might have a verdict for our first trade. Let's see. Yeah, cocoa beans. Olu, man, all the best, my brother. Two things. One, I don't trade swings, and I have no clue how swings works. Sherry may be Sherry might be the right person to talk to. And also cocoa beans, man, the volume is going to be so less, my brother. Apologies, man. I don't want to advise on things that I have no clue about. So, other than P2P, what way to buy funny pips? Other than P2P, credit card, I don't know what else, my brother. All right, we might have a first verdict for the trade. That's the first trade, guys. We have three more. We're still in it though. Nidhi, bro, good morning, man. Bro, 1 pound is 372 Pakistani rupees. Danny, 372. Bro, insane, man. Insane. That is. If make only $50, it approximately 12,000 rupees. Wow. Bro, but tell me, man, how much does, how do we calculate this? How much does milk cost, bro? Let's say per liter, man. Per liter, how much does milk cost? Because inflation also takes, a big part in that, right? So I'm just curious, bro. Because you have to calculate your currency in terms of how much it's going to cost for you to buy milk or buy bread or buy rice. So what are the things that you eat every day? Compared it to other countries, what does that cost you, right? That's the actual way to judge. Sahil, yeah, man, it's going to be less for you. 200? 200 for the milk, bro? 200 for the milk? We are getting teased again. Raj, hi, man. PKR 220 to 250, guys, that's what I'm talking about. In India, man, 1 liter of milk, I think, is 40 rupees. Correct me if I'm wrong. That's the difference. So that's inflation, my boys. Yeah, I get that you get more money per USD, but you have so much of inflation that you're paying more to get 1 liter of milk comparatively to what we get, right? So USD almost has the same buying power. Yeah, that's expensive, man. That's very expensive. You can buy with debit card, bro. Funny pips. Um, Sandan, bro. I am not sure, man. I haven't tried it. Credit card is credit card might be the best bet for you, man. Guys, you have to check. Guys, just check on YouTube, man. Just check how to buy funding pips from India. They'll give you 1,000 videos on that subject, man. To be honest, I don't know. I've used credit cards, and also it's not even Indian credit cards I've used. Before this, I've used my Canadian credit card to buy funding pip challenges. I have no idea on how to buy it, man. Other than Binance and credit card, I don't know, bro. Can you buy? You can do it, but might need Visa debit card, I think. Okay. That's a valid suggestion. Guys, try it with a Visa debit card. In India, milk is around 60 to 70. Oh, I was talking about half liters then. Sorry. So, see, 60 to 70, not a bad rate compared to 270, right? So, guys, always think about your currency comparatively to the daily usage items. So, that's how inflation has been calculated. So, same basket of things that's been bought 10 years ago. What is the price of those same things today? Okay, that's how inflation has been calculated. अभी सेल का शक्ति है. I hope, bro. Yasser, bro. I hope. Funny pips you can buy using anything, debit card, all works. See, Balaji, bro, said it. Let's go, boys. Buy it with debit cards. It should work, man. As long as it's a good debit card, Visa, MasterCard. Oh, Masters. Buy it, bro. Credit card, yeah, man. Credit card 100% works. I'm not sure about debit card, but Balaji, bro, said so. So I believe it, man. We are coming near 6:30. Ooh, it's gonna be fun. It's gonna be fun to watch 6:30 today. Guys, if this goes to TP, man, that's 7 days in a row, bro. I don't want to jinx it, but Brady, I'm happy, man. Even if it doesn't, bro, we have another trade, man. Next 3 trades, bro. I think in mine, Pakistan is cheap country when you earn in dollars. Yeah, bro. Guys, if you're earning in dollars in any country, you're good. Okay? As long as you're earning good in USD, let's say $1,000 and above, you're good, man. You're more than good, bro. In India, man, I'm a king, bro. If I earn more than $1,000 a month, trust me. Are you in trade? Yeah, man. I'm on a short right there, bro. That's the entry, man. We might miss on the Saturday and Sunday. Are you going to come live tomorrow? We might miss you. Patel, bro. Yeah, man. I'm gonna miss you guys too. But no, man. I will come back on Monday, bro. Yeah. And I've heard that they're gonna start trading during the weekends. All the best, guys. If you guys want to trade it, I'm not gonna do it, man. I don't want to be trading during the weekend, guys. It's too much of trading as is. I don't want to be trading. Guys, right now the buffer is the only thing that's standing between us and the trade. Let's see, man. Bro, did you notice yesterday after Trump's speech, gold goes below, bro? Yeah, I didn't even know Trump spoke yesterday, Nidhi, bro. Did he? If they start a weekend trading, then Trump will have more fun. Bro, I think he's accumulating a lot of money, man. I'm not sure if it's oops, what happened? I'm not sure if it's him or his son, but they are actually playing with the market, especially the US oil and the gold market, bro. Have you guys seen this? Before every Trump tweet, you will have a massive buy or a sell spike. Just 15 minutes before his, uh, before his tweet. Bro, I've seen that, man. They had a news broadcast on BBC, mind blowing stuff. I have credit card, bro, but that is Rupee credit card. Bro, you can try it. I'm not sure if it's gonna work. Visa works, I'm pretty sure, because Balaji bro said so. I'm not about other credit cards, man. I'm not sure. See, Rupee credit card, these guys, man. Even I have with HDFC guys in India, I have a Diners Club credit card. They sold it to me saying I'll get free tickets, so I bought it. It doesn't work, man. It sucks. Majority of the places I try to use it, man, if I'm not using it with the machine, if I'm trying to buy something, a ticket or something online, bro, it's not working, bro. Other than movie tickets. Waste, waste of a card, man. Bro, I don't use lot size for the sake of it. I calculate my stop loss in terms of in terms of pips. Guys, I don't use a standard pips, man. That's not how you should be doing it. I've said it multiple times yesterday, and I'm saying it today. Do not take trades with consistent pip sizes, guys. That's not how trading works, man. Guys, I have to make a video on this, man. So many people ask this question. Even yesterday, someone DM'd me saying, "Sir, how much pip do you use? Sorry, how much lot size do you use per trade?" I don't use lot size, man. It's not a constant, guys. It's going to change every trade because your stop loss is going to be bigger and smaller every trade. I don't know why it's so hard to comprehend. Sorry, so hard to comprehend. Uh, this this is very close to comfort. After 12:30 p.m. it'll start to fall. Let's see, bro. If it falls from here, man, I'll be very happy. Honestly, I was sleepy here, just joined your screen. Thank you, man. Only Visa works for buying prop firm accounts, bro. Yeah, man. Multi-time frame prop strategy, bro. Is multi-time frame part of your strategy? No, bro. I don't look for multiple time frames, guys. Again, simple. Keep it simple. Only 5 minutes chart for stop hunts and Ash. That's an Ash trade right there. And only 1 minute for the 3-on-3 entries. So I don't use multiple time frames, boys. I think we might get stopped out here, man. Rupee mine doesn't work on funding pips. Yeah, bro. Today is news, bro. What time? I don't think there's any news, man. I was stuck with Kotak PVR. Ranjit, bro, I have a Diners Club credit card one, but in all honesty, bro, they give me a free ticket every month. Uh, no complaints here, man. 180 rupees saved. I like that. 313 Balaji, bro, I am looking at it, man. It's actually 213 right now. This is in the 5 minutes, so I don't care, man. The trade we took yesterday was near RSL and went to TP. Totally agree, bro. Yesterday's trade, guys, almost did the same thing. See this? Almost took us out, but went to TP. But let's see, man, if we are lucky enough 2 days in a row. I am not sure, guys. I am not sure. I'll be happy if that happened again. Multiple higher time frames showing bearish. I guess the move to upside is just a pullback. Let's see, guys. So happy, bro. Chat is so busy now. We are growing fast. Nidhi, bro, yeah, man, we are growing. Even I'm happy too. It's always nice to talk to a lot of people, but it is kind of getting hectic. I can't keep up with the chat. But cheers to that. I love it. Man, it'll be amazing if price falls from that. Come on. Hello, bro. Very good morning, man. Thank you for joining from Pakistan, bro. Huge respect. You know, it makes me so happy when you guys say where you're from because I never thought I'd talk to people from all around the globe in one session by by just trading. I mean, I'm happy, man. Hopefully, that's a shooting star doji. Hopefully, my brother. London Bridge is falling down. You're doing rhymes now, bro. Like, bro, if it falls down, man, I'll start singing every time price goes near stop loss, bro. I mean, what? That's a secret slogan. But guys, again, try not to stress that price is getting near stop loss because you never know what's going to happen. Even if you're taking a stop loss, that doesn't mean that you're going to end your life. Guys, it's just a trade. At the end of the day, it's all going to become numbers in this chart. I know it's associated with your life, money, and all that stuff, but guys, look at it from a 3 months perspective, from a 6 months perspective. One trade is not going to change anything, man. So the cumulative data is going to change it. So don't stress so much on, oh my God, my price is near. I'm so anxious right now. My blood pressure and my heart is going to stop. Guys, it's just part and parcel of the game. This is how the game has to be played. Not every cricket game, not every soccer game can be won. Same with trading, people. It all comes down to your mindset. If it goes to TP, hooray, amazing. But if it goes to stop loss, it's not the end of the world. Again, reset, next trade. Okay. I hope you guys get that mindset because you are gonna take yourselves, man. You're gonna have very bad weeks, even very bad months. Guys, it's not gonna matter as long as you stick to your strategy, you have good risk management when you get to drawdown. If you're 50% below your drawdown, cut down your risk into half. Half right there. Guys, if I had my original risk, I would have passed my account by now. If I had my original risk. See, I went to below minus 50% at this point. Okay, I cut my risk for 3 on 3 trades right here. You see, I took two SLs for $100. So $50 risk, I cut it down. You see that $50, 50% drawdown hit, risk cut to half. Okay, look what happened right after, man. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven TPs, and two, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine SLs. So seven threes are 21. So 21 minus 9 is 12, I think it should be. So $1,200 up. All right. I should have been. But since I only took $50, I'm half of it, man. You see what I'm saying? But I'm happy because I'm doing the right thing. I know that's the right thing. The only thing stopping us is the 3 on 3 strategy. It's taking its time to give us a trade. I get that. I totally understand that fact, but you have to do the right things. If I risked $100 as usual, we're making more money, man. But as long as you guys are having good risk management, you're not gonna blow your accounts. Guys, I went to almost minus 8% in the account. Minus 8%, man. The max I can lose is minus 10. All right. Went back to minus 8. I just had 2% to blow it, but I'm back to minus 5% now. I'm almost back to minus 5%. So guys, it's okay as long as you have the right mindset, the discipline, good risk management, you're going to make it back. I'm going to crawl my way back to the break even point. I'm going to crawl my way back to the passing levels and then TP, sorry, payouts. So, guys, regardless of where you're sitting right now, it's going to work out. Just stick to one strategy. Don't put all your emotions into single trades. In 6 minutes, we are going to see some volume here. Maybe to the stop loss, maybe to the TP. It's okay, man. It's just the part of God's plan. All right. I hope it helps you with your mindset because, again, guys, it's okay. It's okay to blow accounts. Yesterday, someone was DMing me saying it's very hard. I am pretty good in the demo accounts, but when I get to live, I suck at it. But guys, it's fine. You are going to suck at the live accounts, at least initially. You just have to jump. Okay, going from demo into prop firm accounts or even personal accounts for that matter, you're going to suck initially. You're going to blow a few accounts. It's the process. All right. That's how you learn. That's how your emotional side of your brain learns on how to deal with stop losses, TP, and the grueling process of trading starts. So I hope you guys understand that part. It's fine to take stop losses, man. All right. Enough of the rant. Yeah, 6:30 will be here soon. Soon you're gonna go on a trip as well with people all over the world. You're gonna go on a trip? Yeah, man. Sherry, bro. We're gonna do that too, man. Play the money money song. Will hit is TP. Money money song, bro. The suggestions we have here, man. Yeah, Ranjit, bro. It's a week. Let's do it. Yes. Sherry is also from Chennai. I'm watching your videos since a couple of weeks. It's amazing. Your strategy works every time. Thank you, thank you. Not guys, not every time. I do take SLs, like I just showed you. It's part of it. Okay, guys. 4 minutes to 6:30. Let's see. Mysteries 6:30 coming soon. Yeah, bro. Bro, I guarantee your TP for sure. It's just a liquidity sweep. Guarantee, Abhishek, bro. Let's see, man. I'll be happy if it goes to TP, but guys, it's fine. Bro, there was a 3 on 3 in 1 minute. No, man, I am looking at it, bro. I don't see one, my brother. Guys, this is 5 minutes again. In 1 minute, I don't see it. If I see it with my confidence, bro, I'll definitely let you guys know. Watching from Manila. That's amazing. Thank you. Welcome, welcome, people. Guys, even yesterday we had a stop loss to begin with, and then we took a TP. That's a good comeback. But let's see. We will keep doing it. We have 4 trades per day. This is the first trade. We will keep doing it until we win, man. That's the mantra I got, bro. No matter how long it's gonna take, I'll be sitting right here, man. Ali is watching from Kuwait. Let's go. My cousin, she's right now in UAE. Bro, are you guys having any issues in terms of war, man? Because she was talking to me last week and she was like, they have a couple of missiles in it near the place. And I was like freaking out. Oh, oh, close. 6:30 in 2 minutes. Let's see. If that's the final sweep. Josh from Moscow, let's go. I think you're the first person from Moscow, my brother. That's awesome, man. Almost, almost. Guys, will 6:30 save us today? I mean, can it? Andre from New Zealand, let's go. Lovely, bro. Yo, I did have a brother living in New Zealand, bro. He's told me such a beautiful place, man. Good people, great place to visit. Man, I'd love to be there one day, man. Guys, I'm very close to stop loss right here. It's not been triggered yet. Waiting. Bro, are you paying 30% tax? Man, that'll be decided after I take my first payout in India. I haven't taken my first payout in India, so it is definitely beautiful, isn't it? Come on. If you're gonna take me already. Come on. Dream country to visit. See? A lot of people agree, bro. Andre, man, I love the energy when you guys do the haka, bro. Wow. I saw that lady do the haka in in the what is it called? In the parliament, bro. Fierce, man. Fierce. Guys, 6:30 is here. Let's see if we get saved, man. That's a beautiful candle towards the downside. Whoa, bro. I'm still not out yet, but you never know about 6:30, man. It goes both ways. Let's see, boys. Let's see. I am still in the trade, guys. Yo, if this goes to TP, bro, I'm gonna sing that song Ranjit bro was talking about, boys. I mean, that was close. That was very close. This is fun. Yo, your SL got hit. Why, bro? That was way up there, man. I'm still in this, bro. Come on, da kai pulla. Oh wow, bro. This will be a lot of fun to see. 6:30 usually is the one that usually takes us out. If this gives 6:30, I'm back to the love phase with it, man. Guys, that's an amazing reaction out of 6:30. Let's go. Oh, Rizwan, even yours got hit, bro. I'm sorry, man. Guys, that's why you don't keep your stop losses too tight. Come on. You have to let it breathe, people. As usual, secret is the 100 pip buffer on top of your stop loss. Guys, with my usual strategy, the stop loss has to go right there. But with the buffer, that's the secret. It goes 100 pips above, man. Some of you guys, you are a real goat, bro. Thank you, man. I like that compliment. My strategy almost matches your strategy, so I guarantee you. Abhishek, bro, if that goes, man, that'll be awesome, bro. That'll be an awesome start to the day, boys. I think XM spread to keep slightly more. Rizwan, oh, you trading with your XM account, man? Yeah, that makes sense, brother. Please change the background to a darker color. Ali, bro, I like it bright, my brother. Sorry, man. I am from Chennai, brother. You can call me Sherry, by the way. Please, okay. Man, that buffer was lit. Ranjit, bro, thank you, man. Guys, as I told you in a lot of previous videos, buffers are always good. Okay. We are not gods of trading. Yeah, might be a little goated, but kidding. So we can't be accurate in terms of stop loss placement. You always need a little room to breathe. Guys, even now, we don't know if this is going to run to TP, but I'm very happy that it didn't take my SL because we had the buffer. But this video, I'm gonna take a video of this live right here because guys, that is the secret. If this goes to TP, man, this will be an amazing short video to take, bro. Come on, that will be bonkers, man. If this 6:30 saves us, man, that will be the first time that it came right before the stop loss. That'll be awesome. Yo, Patel sir, he said Sherry, by the way. So you can call him Sherry, just Sherry, man. Your strategy, like Walt Disney, it's so magical. Thank you. All good. Waiting for 40 to clear. Let's see, man. Even mine went close to a sell. Raj, bro, I think we guys have been saved by the bell of 6:30. Let's go. Come on, man. I'll be celebrating after this PP if this hits. Because 6:30, the week prior to this, I think 10 days ago, 6:30 was very mean to me, bro. Sherry knows this because he was there throughout all the trades. Terry, bro, remember that? We took four 6:30 stop losses 10 days prior. Four back to back. 6:30 was very mean. Let's see if this gives us, man. Let's see. See, even even Raj remembers, man. That was cruel, guys. But this move was amazing. Even if it doesn't go to TP as of yet. Excuse me. So how many times you went to Tirupati for darshan? So I'm a big fan of Tirupati. I'm a big fan of Venki ji. I've been there more than a dozen times. To be honest, love the laddu there, man. Big fan of Tirupati laddus, bro. Um, the last time I went was, I think, 10 to 12 months ago, before my wedding. I'm yet to take my wife to Tirupati, but I think I should in the near future. Um, love the place, man. Good vibes, very clean. I like the rooms there. And the drive up to Tirupati, bro. What a drive. I love driving, so the whole process of it is divine, to be honest. Let's see if I get there in the next couple of months. I'll let you guys know. I know 6:30 could go either way. Sherry, bro, yeah, man. 6:30 can go either way, bro. This, if it goes to TP, it's a great thing. I got my Tirupati laddus from T Nagar Temple. Sherry, bro, I think, tell me this, man. Is this the same as the original one? Because I haven't, yet experienced it, but I go every year almost went by walk. By walk 10 times with your family, sir? Raj said, send your location, I'll send you laddus. Appreciate it, my brother. Oh, it's the same, Sherry? That's awesome, man. Niranj. Niranj, bro, I come live at 5:30 a.m. IST, man. Whenever Tokyo starts in your time frame, bro, I'm live, man. Bro, I'm an atheist. I don't go to temples, but I love Tirupati. Wonderful one, bro. Sundar, bro, I too agree, man. Even my friends who don't believe in God do come there, for the experience, for how it's been built, how clean they keep the place. Man, actually a good place to visit, to be honest. If you believe in God or not, um, well maintained, man. It's a well-oiled machine. So, for those of you who are from abroad who don't know what Tirupati is, yeah, hold on. I'm not going to show it now because I want to clip this for my short video. Hold on, I'll show you guys. It's a temple, man. Just search it, you know, in Google, guys. It's the wealthiest temple on planet Earth. You can quote me on that because I know millions and millions of rupees and dollars, for that matter, have been, collected in that temple, bro. Bro, I cannot explain the amount of money that's been generated by that temple. But Patel's a huge respect, man, to go to the temple by walk, even if you're walking the whole way from the start of the temple, bro. That's hard, man. I think that's what, 6 hills to go off of. That's amazing, man. Stop and zone is reacting powerful. Ranjit, bro, yeah, man. Let's see, guys. We're still early in the trade. We're close to entry. My entry is somewhere here, man. I got a bad fill, very bad fill. But let's see if this goes to TP, boys. All right. Do we, bro? We don't need that fancy strategy. All we need is liquidity sweep. Even on your entry stream, should everyone on your live streams should know about this? Abhishek, bro, liquidity sweeps, man. You only look for reversals, right? We have taken, I think, 4 TPs with continuations on liquidity sweeps. So that's the difference, man. That's the difference. My strategy gets to the mix. Liquidity traders only look for reversals like these, right? I mean, that's the differentiation of a liquidity trader and myself, man. Uh, Are you a strict vegetarian? No, bro. I'd love to be a strict non-vegetarian, to be honest. Bro, I love non-veg, man. Anything that walks, crawls, flies, swims, I'd like to try. I've tried a variety of animals, to be honest. That came out very rough, but I love my non-veg, man. Planning to visit in November. Sundar, bro, yeah, man, but it'll be a little cold on the hill because it's sitting on a hilltop. 313, oh my God. I completely forgot about 313s. Yeah, I don't like that 313, man. I want a strong closure downwards. I have to have these on, bro, because I forget about 313 sometimes when I'm talking to you guys. Those are all indicators for it. I mean, alerts for it. All right. Hampi is amazing. Yeah, bro, I totally agree, man. My brother went to Hampi twice in the last 6 months because he fell in love with the place. Guys, have you heard of Hampi? Again, guys, this is a place, I think, in interior Karnataka, is it? Or near Mysore? Somewhere there, man. Guys, if you guys haven't heard of Hampi anywhere around the globe, check it out. Beautiful place. I will Google this after this trade is done because I need that video. Bear with me, but amazing suggestions, people. I love it. Man, I just came in now and found you in a cell, and I'm also in a cell. Paul, welcome. Welcome to the stream as well as the trade. Loving it. Bro, why your entry at 40 43? Simple, man. I got an ash trade right there, but that's the ash zone. The first 630 candle swept my zone, gave me a strong downward closing candle. I got in. Stop loss 100 pips above the ash zone. Got saved by the bell of 6:30 a.m. candle. Now it is looking like it's gonna make it. So what a neat trade, boys. What a neat trade. And girls. Good morning, bro, Rajat. Thank you for joining, man. Bro, those ads are so disturbing, bro. Oh, you getting ads? Sorry, man. Yo, apologies. Ampi's made of granite. Oh, whoa. Well, interesting stuff, right? Humpy, guys, the thing about Humpy is they are protecting that town as is from hundreds of years ago. Okay. So nowadays, historical places, good monuments, the surroundings of those have been modernized because population and all that stuff. But Humpy guys, they make sure that they've protected the outward walls and the boundaries. I'm talking about a whole town. I'm not talking about a temple or one structure. A whole town has been protected as is. That's, I think, is mind-boggling because to protect a whole town and the lakes and rivers beside it, guys, that's amazing, man. You guys, if you get a chance to visit Hampi, that's a place in India, do not pass on it because I'm waiting to get there. Man, I should have been there 8 months ago. My brother was so hell-bent on me going and visiting it in the next month, but I was too busy with trading stuff. I couldn't get there. Guys, man, if you get a chance, bro, go see it. Bro, you went on a road trip to Hampi, man. That sounds good. Yes, bro. Bro, good morning. Can you take this? So now can take this trade? Nava, bro, it's gone, man. I don't think now you can take it, bro. It's gone. Guys, never hop on trades that's gone from your entry area. Say sayonara to it. It's gone because the stop loss will be fatter and you're waiting for a much bigger take profit. Don't do it, man. If it comes back, it's up to you, but I'll never suggest taking a trade that's way out there, man. Just a just a tip, visit during winters. Oh, bro, nice tip, man. I will think about it during winters, bro. Praveen, bro, is was on a sell, and I think he took TP. Did you, bro, Praveen, bro? Sweet sell from. Hold on. All right. Good morning, bro. Praveen, how's it going? It's only coming when you're, sorry, it's only coming when you're talking seriously about trading. Now you're talking about random things and it's not showing. Sundar, bro, it's that's just YouTube's timing, man. Yeah. I have, yeah, I've got the YouTube Premium, so I forgot how it was like to, have ads on YouTube, bro. I feel for you, man. Good morning, bro, Sudhir. Welcome, man. The avert, the avatar used your YouTube subscription. Premium, it's ad free. Yeah. So if you have premium, the ads, you won't get ads, right? Can we cost to cost, meaning can we go to break even? Guys, as you guys know, I don't take break evens. It's up to you. Again, TPs, break even, stop losses, everything is up to you. I'm just showing you what I do. Uh, but I never know, man. I don't take break evens. Drought after entry. What about the other stop and zones? Guys, I will disregard everything else when I'm inside a trade. When I'm inside a trade, I'm just chilling. Okay. I want the trade to either go to a stop loss or a TP. That's it. I don't worry about other zones because nothing else matters. I'm already on a trade, correct? So, yo, Praveen bro took a TP. That's nice, bro. Almost reverse from SL. Yeah, bro. Exact reversal from SL. But let's see, man, if this goes to TP, it'll be good. Fingers crossed. Hi, Avint. I started watching your channel for a few weeks. Your discipline and confidence on your stream is amazing, man. I'm also from Tamil Nadu. Sheikh, bro. Hi, man. Thank you so much for saying that, bro. Means a lot to me. I'm glad that you're joining this live sessions, brother. Means a lot. Keep doing it. I hope, I can help in some way that I can. Um, Thank you, man. Did you trade BTC? Olu, bro. Yeah, man. No, I didn't start my trading career with BTC. I was with stocks initially, and then I moved on to BTC, man. That's where I made a ton of money, and then I lost a ton of money. That's like, I don't want BTC. No, I used to, bro. I stopped last year, man. I was like, I'm done with BTC. I don't want to do this anymore. I want to do something that's sustainable, that's actually has a much dependable price action to it. I found out gold. Guys, I did trade Nasdaq. Man, unforgiving, bro. Again, it was like trading, it was not like trading Nifty. Nifty was worse. But NAS, bro, it's very easy to see profits in NAS. Like you take micro contracts and it just moves very well. But nah, man, I blew three accounts with Nasdaq. And I was like, the hell with Nasdaq, I'm not gonna take it. YouTube takes money from us to not to show ads. Yo, Praveen, bro, that's a nice way to put it. Friday market, let's go. Hold on, guys. I'm just Raj, bro. Raj, bro, will send me laddus. It'll be lovely, man. Sorry, got distracted. Use Brave browser, no ads. See, there is a workaround, bro. Sudhir, man, was it Sudhir, bro, who was getting pissed? Who was this? Sundar, bro. Use that browser, man. You might not get ads. Looks slightly pulled back. Yeah, guys, let's see, man. Just one more tap. Bro, Abhishek, do you think it'll still go to TP, man? Give me your take on it. The companies are giving money to YouTube to show ads. YouTube take money from us not to show ads. Yeah, man, I pay 195 rupees, I think, every month for YouTube Premium. Guys, I'll tell you this, okay? I was someone who never used premium things, okay, until 2018 or 2019, until I made my own money. That's when I started earning from my own pocket, okay? So until then, guys, I never had a YouTube Premium or, you know, Prime Premium, Netflix, you name it. I never had anything like that. I felt rich, guys, when I first got YouTube Premium. To be honest, man, until that point, I used to watch ads every single day. I was so pissed because of it. But once I spent that 195 rupees, man, I think that's $2 USD. Man, regardless of how much money I've spent after, that's the moment in life I felt, my God, I feel rich. Because those ads, man, will drive you crazy, bro. Especially when you're watching a live stream, man. Imagine I'm gonna place a trade. You're watching a trader who's gonna, place a trade, and you get an ad right there. What happens then? Like, like Sundar bro said, what happens when you're talking about trading? An interesting topic or a trade has been placed, and you get an ad saying, "Hey, have you picked up Harpic for that matter?" I mean, that's insane, bro. I hated ads too, boys. So I felt the same way like you did, guys. But spending 195 rupees, I think, was the best decision I've ever made in my life. I love that, man. Hope our team is XAU USD, guys. Let's start a XAU club. Yeah, 195 for three devices we can apply on YouTube. See, I think it's worth it, man. 195 rupees, guys. If you want to have a decent meal right now in Chennai, bro, I'm spending 300 rupees, bro. 300 rupees for one. Not a decent, good meal, okay? Good meal, I'm talking. A good biryani, 300 rupees. But we think about spending 195 for a YouTube subscription, which we spend our time, like 2 to 3 hours of our time every day for a month. Come on, guys. Now I'm selling YouTube. Guys, I'm not being sponsored by YouTube, man. They've just started paying me. I think what they paid me $6. I can see $6 in my dashboard. I'm being loyal to YouTube, man. All right, guys. Speaking of trading, Abhishek, bro, it it is going down, man. All right, I'm in the second bottle this morning. See, 350 for biryani, double plate. Double plate? Is that a thing? Like, yeah, you get two plates for 350? Excuse me. Guys, I'm just looking at Discord. I haven't seen the messages, man. I'm just looking at it. Bro, look at the top of the green candle wick. That's where I went in. All right. Rizwan, bro, very good morning, man. You too, man. Have a nice day, bro. Always lovely to see your message, man. No, it's almost half kg biryani. Wow, that's a lot of biryani for 350 rupees, man. Only three pieces of chicken? Yeah, that's kind of less, I think. Guys, I'm a biryani lover, not just eating it. I love making biryani, man. I love cooking it. My family loves it when I make it. Man, the only thing I love other than trading, actually, a couple of things I do love, but other than trading and driving, bro, and my wife, if she's watching it, because yesterday she did. Other than these three three things and people, I do love making biryani, man. Man, it gives the satisfaction of in a different level, bro. What a thing to do. Bro, I think candle takes 40, 41 support and moves sideways. Gotham, bro. Yeah, man, it's just playing sideways, man. Right now, we don't know what's gonna happen. We're hoping for a TP, but don't mind the SL2. Love to taste, right? Oh, my biryani, bro? Sure, man. Someday, guys. Yo, the maximum people I've cooked for was 17. Okay. Those, yeah, I think that's the max I've cooked for. But to cook for 100 people who are sitting here, man, that'll be a task. Yo, Ranjit, bro, I'll give you my biryani someday, man. Don't worry. Guys, I take pride in it because I want to do it. Whatever I do, I want to be the best at it. That's how I approach anything that I do. So I'm not saying it might be the best biryani that you tasted, but it will be right up there, man. I'll try to make it the best of my abilities. That's great, chef. Thank you. I think market FV will feast breakfast RSL. Let's see, man. Currency pairs seems to be good in terms of straightforward moves. Bro, I think gold is way better, man. I'm, it's just my opinion, my brother, right? What is that coding, bro, posted in Discord? No clue, man. I didn't post it. Did I post it? Which one are you talking about? Bro, did you watch CM Talapathi's movies? Sorry, CM Talapathy sir's movie. Awesome. Bro, you watched it, man, yesterday? When did you watch it, bro? Nidhi, man. Let me take a tea break. I'll be back. Sharath, bro, talk to you after your tea break. I'll be going on a tea break in after 20 minutes, I think. See you in a bit. First day, first show? Bro, congrats, man. How was it, man? Did you like it? You said it was awesome. Sundar says gold is gold, bro. 100%, man. Gold is golden, bro. Totally agree, man. Yes, I absolutely love gold, man. It's been very kind to me. I haven't blown as many accounts as I've blown with NQ or currency pairs. Or have you guys just traded JPY? Guys, I've only traded JPY. No, I'm not talking about USD JPY or GBP JPY. Just JPY. I've traded that too. Sundar, bro, if someone else sent it, I don't know, man. You guys have to ask them, bro. Guys, the 313 indicator, this one that you guys have been asking me so many times about. Next week, I'll send it out, man. I'll send it in the chat. You just can have it. You can use it, but you need that extra confidence if you want to get in to those big trades I've got. Secret sauce. My eyes are in tears, bro, after leaving the theater. Yeah, bro, Nidhi, bro, I saw that clip, man, where after the movie ended, the end of the movie credits were Vijay Sir's previous movies. Man, even I thought that was an amazing touch. Guys, if you guys don't know who Talapati Vijay is, he is the sitting CM of Tamil Nadu right now. From where I'm from, he's the chief minister. He was an actor. Now he stopped his acting career. That's the last movie that Nidhi is talking about. So that's the last movie. And at the end of the movie, they played clips from all his previous movies that he has done. That was actually brilliant. So it's like a tribute to him, right? That's the last movie of his. That was well done, man. I actually thought, wow, what a way to complete a brilliant career because one of the best actors in the South Indian industry. Amazing, man. More people cried, bro. Yeah, yeah, I saw those reels, man. A lot of people cried. End of an era felt like. Chef's secret sauce. Rajit, bro, yeah, man. There is some sauce to it. Bro, market is consolidating for hours now. Yeah, man. But I love the fact that it's consolidating here rather than it consolidating up there, bro. Thank God it's consolidating near the entry zone. Come on. How come the market did not take a sell? It took mine, bro. It depends upon the broker you're with, bro. If you want, I can show my trade, which is live right now, man. It was so close though, very close to my sell. Hold on, bro. Why is it taking so long? There you go, bro. That that was my stop loss. It came very close to it, bro, right there. And then right now it's running with 200 pips. Yes, it depends on the broker you're using. It depends on exactly where you're placing it. If you're having your own account, XM brokers have different spreads. Also, spreads matter. Some places you get wider spreads because if your price is here, your spread will be pushing way up there, right? It's unfortunate, brother. It happens to the best of us. Don't worry, guys. It's fine if you take in a sell. Sometimes buy a few ticks. It does happen. I've had that happen. Stop loss takes me by the smallest of margins and then goes to TP. That has happened before. Sometimes we have to eat that, man. Yeah, I know, bro. Heard a lot about good things about him. He became CM. Danny, man. Yeah, bro. Bro, he's been doing good. I'm seeing some great changes in the last 2 months. Um, Great start to his, you know, politics, man. Political career, bro. Amazing. Tupaki from Vijay movie. My FTFS was Tupaki from Vijay movie. My last FTFS was also Talapati movie, bro. It's amazing feeling. Nidhi, bro, I'm glad you watched it the first day, man. Because not a lot of people get to because of the demand for those movies. Congrats, man. Had to, yeah, bro, I had to quit my trade after 10 hours of long entry. Danny, bro. Danny, bro, try not, exiting your trades just because the market is consolidating. Just hold on. If the market hasn't taken your stop loss, man, just let it run. Just let it play and see what's gonna happen. The worst thing that can happen, yeah, you might lose whatever you're risking, maybe 50, 100, $200. But the best thing will be you're taking 300 to $500 of TP, right? So just roll the dice on it, brother. Not broker, it's luck. Sometimes it's just luck, my brother. I guess I got lucky with this, but we never know, right? Guys, even now, I don't know if price is going to take my TP, bro. It's all a big question mark, right? At this point, it's still consolidating. It's still near the entry point. You never know, right? But you plan for your trades, you execute them. You hope that it doesn't take you by a couple of ticks, which is painful. Other than that, you just wait for it to, give you a verdict. I'm planning to enter sales after 40.38 because 6 times it tries to break 40.40 but haven't. Even Asia's impulse candle didn't break. Yeah, bro. I'm very surprised because yesterday's TP was glorious after 6:30, but this, even after all that push towards the downside, man, price is struggling, bro. Like legit struggling right now. But let's see if it breaks 40.40, where is the next stop? Bro, if it breaks 40.40, we'll plan our other trades and look where our bonus 3 sits. But for now, guys, I will not look for any zones. I will not look for anything else, man. I'm just sitting here enjoying the price action. That's it. Guys, keep it simple, man. This is not chess, guys. You don't have to look 10 steps ahead, okay? Just enjoy the moment. Yeah, you're sitting near break even. It's good. Just just be in the present, boys and girls. I suggest you exit the trade. Guys, the amount of times that I've heard that happen and the amount of times the price has gone to TP, I can't count with my fingers, man. As even if Trump calls me and says, Arvind, you got to exit your trade right now, I won't do it, man. Sorry, that's the worst expression of my Trump. That's why I thought the second I quit, I should have waited. It wasn't doing any harm. Danny, bro, I think that's a major flip that we have to make in our trading, man. Just because the market is doing certain things, um, like like Murasi sir said, excuse me, just because a market is moving sideways doesn't mean that it's gonna go to your intended TP. You gotta let it play out, bro. The market has been designed to take out other people, to accumulate orders, but you never know which direction the market is going to go at the end of the day. Okay, this might be market just collecting orders, so people are just trying to accumulate their orders in. Guys, bigger firms, bigger banks, they trade with a lot of money. I'm talking about $500 million, $1 billion in one trade, one single trade. I have seen those things happen live. So I used to work for a fintech firm wherein they take trades for $500 million. They lock in that money. So they hedge their bets on that price. So if they want, let's say a company comes to my firm and says, Arvind, listen, I want to lock in 40 for gold. I want that price for $500, $500 million worth. My job is to make sure that I hedge their bets at that point. 40 is where I'm buying, right? Or selling for that matter. That's the point. So I will be accumulating my orders. So my order will sit at 40. Whenever price comes back, my orders will get tapped every single time. So imagine if a bank like, let's say, JP Morgan is buying 200 billion worth of whatever thing, currency, gold, whatever the thing, price is going to stay there for a bit, man. Yeah, it can go up and then come back. They're trying to accumulate the price right there, right? Once they put the order in huge chunks, yeah, you might see moves, but they wanted to stay there to make more orders. So it's just buying at the same place, right? That's how manipulation is done. They want to get price in the same place so that they can make the most out of it. This is what I've seen with my corporate experience, but I don't know what happens with, you know, much bigger banks and much bigger trades. That's just my own experience, right? Patience, bro. I got to work on it. Danny, as long as you understand that there is an improvement to be made in that regard, you will get it, bro. It's just a matter of practicing it, my brother. 10% buy and sell and 90% waiting. Abhishek, bro, 100%. Well said, my brother. If breaks today, it should crack 100 to 200 pips in few minutes. Hope so. Yes, sir. I'm waiting for that break too. Bro, what are you speaking and why are you speaking? And that too continuous. Take a pause. That, bro, I will take a break in the next 10 minutes, man. Don't worry. How people get safe payouts in India from different broker accounts or crypto wallets without their accounts frozen. Sachin, bro, you can use direct payouts, I guess, from the company itself. Just give your Swift details, account details to the company that you're using for payouts, or you can take it via crypto and then something else. I don't know. You can search it on YouTube, but there are ways to take it safely out, man. Um, I don't think I'm going to say that out live. Those might not be 100%, you know. This is again, guys, educational purposes. Guys, if you're watching from RBI, I'm not a SIBI advised advisor. This is just education, man. So, guys, this is live, remember? Funding Pips is giving offers. Sorry, Funded Next is giving offers. Nice, man. Raj, the reason why I keep talking is because of the fact that if someone asks a question, bro, I cannot neglect. Because imagine, man, if you are watching a live stream, if you ask a question, how will you feel if that doesn't get acknowledged or answered? Man, you'll feel down, bro. So if someone asks me a question, I'm going to answer that person. I'm going to try the best of my ability to answer them because everyone's opinion and questions matter. And I just feel that's the right thing to do, right? So you never know what's going to help whom. So your question can help 10 other people. Maybe they have the same issues. My struggles can help you, avoid the struggles that I've had and then make you better in some way, right? So that's why I make it my mission to at least say a few words about any comment that comes through, even if that means that I'm talking for 3 hours straight. I don't mind doing it. Um, as long as it's helping someone out there, bro, I'm ready to do it, man. Because the DMs I've been getting of people saying, bro, you help me with this, you help me with that. That means a lot to me. Even Danny, bro, right now, that guy is sitting in the midnight, man. It's, I think, 1:30 or 2 o'clock in the morning to watch this stream, bro. I'm just mind boggled by that. I'd never do it, wake up just to watch a stream or, learn something from it. So you never know who you're helping. I hope, you know, with these streams, I get to help at least 15, 20 people. That's the whole point of doing it, right? Because I'd rather do all this trading myself, because why should I show it and then get the criticism for it, goods and bads that come with it, right? So I hope you guys understand that fact. Now let's see. This is interesting. Pullback. See, 2:42 a.m. man. Danny is sitting. Oh, Danny, bro, that's off, man. 2:42 a.m. He's still sitting here with me talking. Wow, man. Respect, my brother. Bro, Danny, um, are you born and brought up there, or are you from someplace else, bro? I'm just curious, man. You don't have to answer it if you don't like it. Waiting for 40:40 break. Let's see, boys. Let's see. Current time in South Africa, see, 3:40 a.m. Look at that. Paul is watching at 3:40, man. Huge respect, people. I wake up at 5 a.m. in the morning and I think, wow, that's a good time to wake up. And look at you guys. Now I feel like I'm not determined and disciplined enough. Sweet, let's go. Shah, bro. Hi, man. Welcome, boys. See, guys, I don't answer questions just for myself, but a lot of people out there who are willing to watch a stream at bloody 2 a.m. and 3 a.m. in the morning. Thank you, boys. Thank you for the support. Really love it. Appreciate it. Remember, today's Friday. See, today's Friday, boys and girls. We've had a beautiful week so far, man. Last 4 days, we've had four 1:3s. I'm very, very happy about this week, regardless of how today is going to turn out. Very, very happy. And the fact that I get to catch all that trades live, bro, I'm very happy because the week, sorry, 10 days before, it was pretty tough in terms of all that stop losses. But this shows that with discipline and, and patience and consistency, you get to, catch all those good trades. Even now, guys, nothing's going to change. Even if this goes to TP, sorry, if this goes to a sell, we look for other trades. Again, this is the first trade for today. We have three more. Three more. I'm basically from Pakistan, living in UK for the last 8 years. That's awesome, bro. 8 years, man. Hats off, bro. Bro, I lived abroad for 7, I think. I felt like, when the hell am I gonna get back to my place? But 8 years, man. Bro, Danny, bro, Honestly, man, answer this. Do you ever think of getting back and, stretching your legs in your place, like forever? Do you have that feeling, man? Because I used to have that a lot. Yes, again, we're getting teased. We're getting teased heavily. Let's see, guys. Excuse me. Hi, good morning. Just came here to cheer up. Anand, bro, thank you so much for saying that, man. Welcome, welcome to the stream, my brother. Lovely. Thank you for joining, man. Excuse me. I'm losing my voice this morning. All right. We're back to where we started before 6:30. Let's see, man. I don't know what's happening in this area right here. Absolutely no clue. 717. All right. Huge compression. Yeah, bro. And all this, bro, is just sideways. See all that from last night. What is this area right here, man? It's just dead market, bro. I did like this push towards the downside, but come on. It's still playing with us. This volume show a bearish continuation, but there could be manipulation up that will take us out of it. Happens. It happens. We're going, move is going to be patas. Balaji, bro. Yeah. Yeah, man. Let's see if we get to stay in the trade. If something comes here, like Balaji, bro says, that's going to be crackers, man. If something happens after this, either I have a feeling that it's going to move in one direction, and that's going to be a big direction to pick and move. Because of the fact that it has moved so much yesterday, it might recover it or it might keep the continuation from it. But it'll be very, very nice to see a continuation towards it. I am very vigilant on 3 on 3. Let's see if we get another setup with 3 on 3. Let's break 40-40 range and then with retest, we can trade for sell side. Yeah, bro, let's see, man. Guys, this is not the end of the day, right? I mean, regardless of this trade, I'm going to take other trades too. So we will have other opportunities even if this doesn't show up, but let's not jinx that, right? Let's wait and see, boys and girls. We're still alive, man. Alive and kicking, boys. Guys, I might, excuse me, I might get a 3-on-3 entry. If I do, I'll let you know. There is a possibility towards the sell side. If that's the case, man, I'll be very happy. Look, 4 hour, those wicks. It's at VWAP. Is it at VWAP? Okay. Abhishek, bro, what do you think, man? Are we still in this, man? Are we taking the TP, bro? Because yesterday you called it, man. It was accurate. Still, I'll wait for this trade. Sure, bro. All right. So 3-1-2 has already formed. Let's see if the third candle forms it towards the downside. Guys, you see that? Hold on. You see this right here? If this is a red candle, man, I'll take that as supply. I'll be entering a short, also entering another short here. If this is a red candle, okay? I'm going to plan for it. Hold on, give me 1 minute. So $400, sorry, 400 pips. That's manual entry. I'm going to reset my points here. So I'm just entering. That's the entry candle. That's the stop loss candle. So if this candle closes, hold on. If that candle closes red, I'll be putting another trade right here on the short side. So 0.25 lots, okay? 9 seconds to close. Let's see if that closes. Only if that closes red, okay? Nope. Unfortunately, it didn't, so I can't take that. So I'm not taking another trade there, okay? I hope there was another 3-on-3 entry, man. That would have been nice to have two TPs together if it did hit. But see, that's how I wait for my 3-on-3s. Once 3-1-2 is formed, I wait for my third candle to form. If it gives me a trade, I will put a limit order there. If not, I wait for it. Guys, 3-1-3 strategy has yet to give a good trade for this month. If it does come, man, it usually does at the end of the month. But I'm waiting for that trade, bro. I will go to very close to passing the account if that happens. Good morning, brother. Pavan, bro. Very good morning, man. It's full on liquidity grab going on. Yep, I think so too. Guys, I didn't get an entry there. If I got it, if that third candle was red, I would have had an entry by now. But nope, that was a green candle. So I couldn't take it, man. 40-40 is a support area, buy side evidence in Morningstar. Interesting. What does that 9 mean? Bro, I'm not sure what that 9 means. Is that for good luck? Excuse me. Come on, he has teased us twice. Let's see if this time price delivers to our TP. Very good morning, Dr. Kumar sir. Thank you for joining. Lovely to see you, as always. How's everything going? You've been silent lately. What's going on? Because I usually see your messages in Discord and the chat. Is everything good? 5 minutes up. What's happening, bro? What is the fingers in 5 minutes? Um, Looking at RS and MACD on 1 hour looks like we're going up. Bro, it's been a while. I heard those two terms together, man. RSI and MACD. Yeah, bro. I used to start. I did start trading with that, man. That was the initial stages of my trading career. RSI, MACD, stochastic RSI, bro. Godly, man. Those things are godly in higher time frames, bro. Absolutely love that on higher time frames. If you guys are doing swings, definitely, take a look at it. Actually, a good place to actually do stocks in the long term. Great place. Bro, tell us about your indicator. Bro, this indicator right here is just something that tells me where the 313 or 323 shows up. It was custom built by my best friend. Don't worry, I will give this out to the community for free. Uh, I just want to do it with the course. So the course will be charged, but this one will be for free. I'm just waiting to finish this course, man. It's been a headache. It's been almost 4 weeks since I started doing the course, and my God, that's a lot of work, man. I'm regretting the fact that I'm working too much on it, and it's actually eating my days. Guys, I work almost 6 hours every day on the course, man. It's getting to my nerves right now because I'm lagging on YouTube. The amount of videos that have clogged up to be made in YouTube has gone upwards of 30 videos, man. So much of YouTube video is standing in line to be done. This course has been getting on my nerves. Sometimes I trade in New York session and rest Tokyo. Oh, that's why you haven't been showing up. Dr. Kumar, come on. I love your energy, man. You have to be here, bro. All right. Now we are seeing good movement towards our side. Let's go. Excuse me. Guys, I wish I got that 313 trade, man, because that would have been a killer entry, bro. When I miss Tokyo, there is a big move. So it happens. It happens. That's why I stick to one session because it makes it easier. When you're concentrating on one session, your life becomes much easier because now you have a routine. The discipline makes it much easier to follow that routine, right? And it's actually lovely to have just one session because it gives you a lot of peace after that because you know for a fact that you gave it your all in one session and then now you can rest for the rest of the session and the day and you get to spend time with your family. So I love Tokyo's, man. And guys, the best reason for trading Tokyo for me is because I get to wake up at 5 for a reason. I don't I, I don't like waking up in the morning, don't get me wrong, but when I wake up in the morning early, I feel like I'm doing something with my life. I don't know. I just feel like this is the right thing to do. You know, you hear so many people saying if you want to be successful, wake up early. This fits right at that bill, Tokyo, right? It starts at 5:30 a.m. where I'm from. That feels so good just to wake up and think of yourselves as you're doing something good for yourself as well as your family. So that means a lot. Uh, Hi, new one here. Arun Kumar, bro, welcome, man. Thank you for joining, bro. If you're new, thank you for joining on the stream. Placed order just below liquidity. Oh, below this area, bro? Nice. Dr. Kumar sir, high five to you too, man. Now it should cross good candles at 440, 40. Hopefully it does, boys. Exactly, bro. Ranjit, man. It's a feeling that can only be felt. Can't explain in words. Absolutely. The feeling of waking early in the morning and then hustling throughout the day, boys, that can only be felt. Well said, brother. Well said. Because I'm struggling to articulate that feeling into words. Yeah, guys. It's actually a good feeling, man. You know, I've not been doing this for last couple of months. I've been doing this for last, I think, 15 years. It's been a journey. Getting my call for tea. Yellow. 5 minutes. That's my call for tea. I am going to let this run. In the meanwhile, I'm going to take a break, guys. I've been talking for too long. Uh, we'll be back after. Right, people. This trade, as usual, will keep running regardless of me sitting here or not. Hopefully, runs to TP. If not, runs to SL, and we look for other things. But I will take a 10-minute recess. I'll be here, people. Rayman, if you're out of that trade, sorry, Raj, no more patience. No, but I'm gonna stick with it. You're welcome, bro. Ranjit, bro. All right, guys. I'll be back after 10 minutes, okay? I'll see you in a bit. Hold on. And if I get any setups, if I get any 3-on-3s or whatever, I will come running. I'll let you guys know. So hold on to the chair. I'll be back. All right, guys, I'm back. Man, something very funny happened. So I got a message to turn off my water motor in the DMs. That was hilarious, man. Thank you for the assist. I'm back, people. I'm back. All right, what's happening? We're still playing with price. Let's go. Excuse me. Why trade is sideways market? No clue, my brother. Market goes through sideways consolidation, then expands. Hopefully, it expands in our direction. We need a lot of patience, like a sniper. Yes, sir. I like to patience that. Yeah, I would have been a good sniper, man. To be honest, I would have sat there for days, bro, before my target showed. Initially, I'd be shooting everyone that I saw, but after after like 3 years, I would have shot that one person. Even I'm hoping for a big move, guys. If I'm not in this trade, can I look for a stop on setup? Sharad, bro, I don't suggest you look for other stop on setups because when one setup is valid, it will kind of defeat the purpose of that setup. So if this setup is valid, man, I usually do not look for other setups because you never know which setup is going to work. Always go with the first stop on setup that shows up. So this was the first one for us today. So I'm going to trust it until and unless it goes to stop loss, and then I look for next ones. All right, Ranjit, bro. Yeah, man. Initially bad sniper, but 3 years of experience, best sniper out there, bro. And this is depressing to watch, though. What is happening to price? Sui. Oh God. You guys are funny, man. I love it. I got a text. Hold on. It's awesome. Lots of sellers still moving price up. Sorry, loads of sellers, price still moving up. Balaji, bro. Let's see. Let's wait and watch. Hi, you smile and laugh so much. Seems like you're unmarried. Bro, that's a good assumption to make, man. But I'm sorry, man. I am married. But important thing is my my wife right now is in her wife, in her mom's place. So she's in her home right now for the month. I'm not saying that I'm so happy because of that, but you know, you know what I mean. God, I hope she's not watching this. Guys, jokes apart, very happily married, man. Hold on, something got in my eye. Yeah, man. To be honest, guys, I was scared shitless for marriage and all that stuff, man. And also, guys, mine was 100% arranged marriage, right? 100%. I did not know my wife 6 months prior to my wedding. So I was scared out of my mind, brother. But fate got me, got my back, bro. I'm happy, man. I'm a very happy married man, my boys. Yeah, happily married. Christian, you're right. Lol, yeah, we know. Balaji bro knows the feeling. Sharad bro, yeah, man, I might be in trouble because yesterday when I was talking to her on the phone, she said she was watching the live. I hope she's not watching right now. Hi, bro. What webcam do you use for live stream? Bro, I'm using my laptop, man. It's a MacBook. No cameras or anything like that, bro. Married man doesn't smile. Married man actually smile more with guys, bro. Yeah, that's true, man. We have a lot of fun with the gang. Um, guys, if you're married to the right person, man, you'll be much more happier, to be honest. I think I was lucky in that sense because rolling the dice on an arranged marriage was something that I've done. It worked out, man. Very happy, bro. Does she nag your trading? She doesn't nag the trading per se, but she does care about what I talk about in lives. Because once I did say something about my family, which is supposed to be private, not something, it's just about my family's origins and where they were and where we came from. She sat me down, guys. She sat me down and she goes, listen, I get that you're doing lives. That's amazing. You're doing good. Plus, but please don't talk about personal things. I was puzzled in the beginning, though. I didn't know what personal things she heard because I do talk about a lot of personal things. And I was like, okay, first let's understand the problem. I asked her, like, so what are you talking about? What is the personal thing that you think I spoke? And she goes, you talked about your family's origins and all that, and you have a 42-inch TV. What do you have to say all these things? I'm like, thank God she only heard that. Yeah, man. So we did have a conversation. I told her, listen, you will only build trust with people when you get to know them and when they get to know you, because that's the truth. Bec- If I don't say anything about myself, if you don't know me as a person, how can you trust me, right? Um, and if I don't know anything about you guys, that's why I keep asking you guys, where are you from? What do you do? And all that stuff, right? What time is it? All that good stuff. So it gets to it gets easier to connect. Yeah, man, this is dancing right now. Lucky guy. Yeah, bro, Ranjit, I am, man. I'm very happy, man. How you came to commodity trading? Mohan, bro. Oh, sorry. Yeah, it is. Mohan, bro, listen. I started with stocks, man. Then BTC, then Forex. Then I found out that gold has been moving good all along. And then figured out gold is the one with all the back test I've done, bro. So this is, I think it's destiny, my brother. One way or other, she is right. I mean, yeah, bro. But I don't listen to people, man. I always listen to my gut. Whatever my gut feels like doing and saying, I'm like an open book, bro. Any question you ask me, the first thought of mine will be the most honest answer will come out. I think I'm not someone who'll keep something else in mind and speak out something else. Just not my character, man. Just not doesn't sit well with me. Blessy, hi, man. You make appearances here and there. Even then, I'm happy, Blessy. It's been a while. Welcome. My whole family against my trading told me to retire and rest. Dr. Kumar, sir. But you're doing the right thing, trust me, because you have to be active, you know, especially when you retire. Because even my dad has retired a couple of years ago. I tell him to do something, plant trees, look, take care of the garden, go walk in the morning, get a hobby, something like a passion, and then keep working on it. That keeps your mind and your soul active. Because I've seen a lot of people get depressed, man, right after retirement. I hope that doesn't have to happen to you, sir. Market is reversing. Shiva, bro. Hopefully, man. I've, I don't know, at this point, guys, we're just waiting for this, man. We're waiting for a verdict from this zone. If it breaks towards the downside, we get the TP. If it breaks towards the upside, we look for other trades. Actually. Yeah, Dr. Kumar sir agrees, right? You have to have something to do, man. Find a passion, boys and girls. Regardless of the age, man, if you have a passion, regardless of what it is, draw something, go work out, run, play games, play with the grandkids. I don't know. You pick it. But you got to be active. Even this morning, I was talking to my dad about it. He woke up at 6 a.m. and I was like, so what did you do after 6? He goes, nothing much. I was just in bed. Bro, you got to walk out there, man. Take the fresh air, bro. Did you hit target yesterday, position, or close trade based on Tokyo time zone? Guys, good question. I only close my trades for 313 after Tokyo ends. So that strategy works differently. But this, it works completely different because I don't care how long it's going to take. I'm going to make sure that I wait and take my take profits. Okay. That we took at 7:10 in the morning. That closed at 5 in the evening. So what? 3, 5, 10 hours. That ran for 10 hours. With this strategy, guys, I don't care when it's going to close. I'm willing to close it. Let me show you, man. I'm willing to close it after even 24 hours. Look at this. That, again, almost 10 hours. The last trade I took was very interesting because I'll show you that trade. 6 hours, 19 hours and 36 minutes. Guys, I will not close my trade prematurely. I will wait for it to end. These were together. So 19 hours, boys and girls. I'm a patient guy, man. It's either go big or go home, guys. Either give me the TP of 1 is to 3, or you can give me an SL. I'm okay to wait. It seems like by your 3-2-3 formula, automatically following sell in premium zone and buying in discount zone. Yeah, Anand bro, something like that, something similar to that. But guys, again, I do have a sauce inside it. So not every 3-1-3, 3-2-3 works. Um, Hopefully you guys understand that. That's why I keep repeating, guys, without the sauce, you cannot trade 3-on-3s. But I've given excuse me, I've given 95% of everything when it comes to stop and zones. But even for this strategy, I'm holding back the entry confluences. That's still a secret. But you can actually, work with the information out there in YouTube right now with the stop and strategy, but you cannot work with the information with 3-1-3, man. That's gonna eat you alive, bro. You're gonna see a lot of stop losses without the confidence I have. Where's your account sitting right now? Close to 5%, bro. Negative. Second phase. Yo, I'm clawing my way back from -8%. We have we've gone up 3% in the last couple of weeks, but the thing is, I've halved my risk, right? So if I had my original risk, I would have been well over break even by this point. But right now, bro, I'm in the trenches. I'm working in the trenches. I just want to trade this right because I only preach what I follow myself. If I don't follow the rules, if the account goes below 5%, you have to have the risk. That's my rule. I'm following it. So that's why right now, if you see, guys, these trades were all taken with $100 risk until this point, right? These are all $100 trades. So since I had a bad patch, that's a rough patch right there, my account fell deeply in the red, right? And then once I put my risk to 50%, so $50 per trade, as you guys can see, two stop losses, $100 risk, right? Then the recovery happened. It's just, guys, when it comes to trading, man, it's a mixture of rules, discipline, luck. You need luck, bro. If I got one TP prior to taking all that SLs, I would not have, half my risk and then I would not be in this situation. It is what it is, but the only thing that you can do is keep doing what you're doing and keep fighting, right? I missed my trade in BTC lol. Look at the BTC candle. I will, man. I will indulge. That's, oh, BTC is wild, man. Yeah, I would have definitely sold up here, bro. Right there. Was this zone taken? Oh, no, badly missed it. Yeah, man. That's a holy candle right there in 5 minutes. All right. Come on, if this breaks this, man, we will have a TP today, boys. How your time stamps 3 on 3 on your chart? Is it automated? Also, I think you never follow any indicator, am I right? Mohan, bro, yeah, this is an indicator. That just shows me where the 3 on 3 zones are, but this is 5 minutes. I don't need it in the 5 minutes. All right. Let me check. So I might get a 3 on 3 now. I'll let you guys know if I do. So let me keep this for now because right now, if you see, excuse me, if you see in the 1 minute, people, let me zoom in. So that's 1, 2, 3 red candles. That's number one green supply. The second green candle, sorry, second red candle has been forming. So if the third one is red, I'll look for a sell from right here. Okay. I love it when both of my strategies go in the same direction because when I'm taking a TP, that's when my account will change forever, man. With both the TPs. All right, you see that? The indicator pops up. It's just for me to be alert, man. So right now, all I'm going to do is I'm going to make sure that I have the SL figured out. If that becomes a red candle, okay? Hold on. Reset points. That'll be the entry, and that'll be the stop loss. Wait, what happened? Hold on, guys. If this is a, oh, sorry, that's not the right. Oh shit. Apologies. Hold on. Manual. Okay. Now reset points. 23 seconds. I might have a sell here. Okay. Is that right? Yeah. 0.25 lots. $50 risk. If this candle closes red, I might take a sell here, man. 0.25. If it comes back, I will take it. 0.25. Four 3.6424. Hold on. I'm putting the order right now. That's 3 on 3 trade right there. You guys can see that, right? That's 3 on 3 right there. Yeah, I've put the limit order. If price comes here, I will be on a sell, boys. On another sell, to be exact. Let's see if price gets there. For now, I'm just going to draw that and forget it. That's entry. That would be stop loss. Let's wait. So that'll be the first trade for 3 on 3. Almost got tapped in. Oh my God. Oh yeah, now I'm tapped in, boys. Let's see if that works out, man. Guys, again, this is low win rate strategy, but high risk to reward. Take it at your own account because that doesn't always play out, all right? That's a disclaimer from me right there. So if both of these trades go to TP, I'm taking a 1:7 on this, and I'm taking a 1:3 on that. As again, if this holds, let's see. It's always good to see it. That's the entry. I'm tapped in. You closed? No, bro. I haven't closed the last trade. It's still there, man. Bro, it's in the same direction. So I can take two trades in the same direction. The only thing I can't do is I take trades in the opposite direction. Since both of these trades were in the same direction, I'm in this, all right? Now let's see if this area holds. Because if this is the first TP for the month, actually second, but I'm looking for a huge TP here if it does hold, man. Two trades in one pair at the same time allowed in Funny Pips Flux account. Bro, even with my account, it is allowed, man. I have a standard account. It is allowed. I've taken multiple trades like that. In the past, zero issues so far, guys. Currently looking decent. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. So again, the entry for the 5-minute trade is up here. This trade I've already entered. It's just there. So both of these trades are live now. Please inform the entry to us. Bro, I would not suggest you take this because this has a very low win rate, but it's up to you guys. I'm in it. That's the entry. That's the stop loss. That's the previous entry right there. Excuse me. I'm betting heavily on this, man. That's $100 risk right there. So 50 on this, 50 on that. If this both goes to TP, I'll go back to break even in my account, regardless. If the 313 gives me a good TP, guys, I'm going well over break even in my account. Let's see, let's see. Let's see if I caught a huge one right here. Now I don't have to worry about all these 313s because I've already taken one. I'm gonna close that indicator because I don't want to see it. Thank you for your service. You're retired now. Come on, give it to me, buddy. My lot size was, let me show you, man. My lot size calculator gave me 0.25 lots right there. You see this? That's the lot size. That's my lot size calculator, by the way. So I'm risking $50 on that one. I'm already risking similar on this one. So total risk for these two entries, $100. Is that lot size calculator very accurate? Yeah, man. Bro, Christian, man, until now, I haven't missed a beat with that. That was custom made from by my best friend. Bro, very nice, man. It is cut down my stress into half. Guys, find a lot size calculator like that because I was losing a lot of money in terms of my entries and exits just because of my wrong calculation or my average, lot size calculation. But that has actually changed my game, man. Very, very happy about that. My best friend is the one I should be giving credit to. That guy is a wizard, man. All right, I like that tap right there. Let's see. So what am I sitting at right now? Price is taken 1:1.6. That's good. That's a good start, people. D29 join Discord. Welcome, man. Let's go. That's a 1:2 right there. Come on. Please give us all also lot size calculator. Patel said, I'm reserving that for the course, man. Anyone who gets the course will get it for free, man. That was made by my best friend. So it's been tributed to him and the course. Would you be able to provide us the indicator? It's hard for me to go through calculator and TradingView. Christian, man, as I said, boys, hold on. I will give that out with the course, guys. But the 3 on 3 indicators that you saw, I'm going to give that out for free. Don't worry. I'll put that on the Discord community next week. All right, that's coming. It's on the works, people. Guys, I think 4 days ago, we took two TPs together. Man, I'm wishing to God if we take this both of these TPs together, bro. At least one TP here and then the next trade runs somewhere here, bro. I'll be very happy, man. I'll be very happy with this trading day, bro. Because right now, I think it's running at a 1 is to 2 almost. Yeah, almost a 1 is to 2. Yeah, 1 is to 1.5. So if that goes to bloody 1 is to 7, then we're talking. Come on, let's go. What a push. Come on. I love that, man. Guys, congrats for those of you who caught it. That's a 1 is to 5 right there. Let's go, people. Let's go. I love that candle, man. Wow. That's how you break out of a zone, people. That's how you break out of a freaking zone. Come on. I think this will change the account completely if this goes to TP. I've been clawing my way out very slowly and carefully. But again, guys, this will change the account forever. I'm taking a video from this. Come on. Get it. Bro, I'm out of the I'm out of the moon, bro. That's TP, boys. That's TP. Right there. What a trade, man. What an entry, boys. Congrats. Congrats, everyone. You've got a 1 to 7 with that. I think this is the God trade we've been waiting for. Come on. It's time to recover, people. Let's go. I'm very happy, man. I'm very happy. That's the push we've been waiting for. Again, guys, I've not closed this trade. That's running. That's running. Remember, I will not close this trade until Tokyo ends. So, congrats on the first TP. That's gonna run. I'm very happy today, man. I'm very, very happy. My account has gone over 50%. We've clawed our way back. This is magnificent. That is a 1 is to 10 right there. If you've caught it, congrats, man. Bro, I'm so freaking happy, man. Oh, what an entry that was, boys. That's what I was waiting for the whole damn month, for that entry right there. Guys, let me show you the account. Right now, we have we've done with that first trade. Okay. That trade gave us a 1 is to 3 with a $150. And then right now, this one is currently running with what? $300 up on this trade, but I'm gonna let this run, guys. I'm not gonna take this off. Again, as usual, look at the entry. That's the stop loss. Man, we did that live, boys. I don't care if this comes back, but guys, I'm gonna let this run until Tokyo ends. If it survives, it's gonna survive. It's gonna give me the trade that I've been looking for the whole month. Thank you. Sorry, I didn't see the chat. I was so happy, man. I'm over the moon right now, boys. Yeah, that's been a lot of hard work, people. Right there. This one says, hold on. Come back to the comments, guys. This is amazing. All right. Trump speaking. That's awesome timing by Trump, man. All right. You said last week that you'll provide it this week. Kristen said, thank you, man. This is your philosophy, man. Thank you, Aditya. Remember me, I guarantee your TP. Abhishek, bro, you're the best, man. You did say so, bro. Already TP hit for me. This one. That's awesome, man. Love you too, Crystal, bro. Congrats. Thank you. Love you, man. This is awesome, guys. Thank you. Thank you. You are the GOAT. Appreciate it, man. Guys, again, this is going to run however far it's going to run. I'm going to let it. Always, guys, there will be a one monster trade with this strategy. I've been telling you about this the whole time. Last month, remember, we caught this, I think in May. That's a 1 is to 25 that I caught with that. This might be the day, but even if it doesn't, I'm okay with it, bro. But this trade will run until Tokyo ends. I will only close it at 12:29. So if you guys have the marble like me, let's go for it, man. Let's go for that 1 is to 25 trade, boys and girls. Let's get that one. All right. Crazy move. Congrats, bro. Thank you, man. Shut it, bro. Just ran from bathroom to look at this. Ranjit, bro. Thank you, man. Go. Let's go. Congrats, Chandra. Thank you. Mudasir, thank you, man. We are double luck today. Patel, bro. Yes, we are. Bro, outclass. Thank you. Unbelievable. Yes, I thought so too. Congrats. Thank you. Wow. Wow, man. The chat is blowing up. Remember me, guarantee you trade. I do, man. Patience rewards you. Absolutely, boys and girls. Always, always be patient. Guys, that wasn't easy to get. We have waited a long time for this. Now that's the reward for patience. Part 2 says, wow, thanks, bro. You're welcome, man. Outclass. Yeah, it's awesome. 1 is to 8. Yeah, man, guys. Once my trade goes to 1 is to 8 in TP, I put it in break even. My best friend has told me to do it. I forgot. So, guys, I'm going to put it into break even right now because after it goes to 1 is to 8 and then comes me to take it, that's not fair, right? So it's way over 1 is to 8, boys and girls. That's, I think, right now, that trade was running at a 1 is to 8. It went to a 1 is to 10, almost a 1 is to 10. So we're going to keep it, people. I'm going to show this until I'm here. Um, Hold on. A lot of messages, a lot of messages. A lot of people are happy about this. All right. Trump, guys, is Trump actually speaking right now? Because I don't know. Is he? Can I enter now? Bro, do not enter now, bro. You'll be messed up. Guys, the entry is gone. The entry is way gone. If you enter now, I'm not sure about what's going to happen, but be very careful, guys. Small loss yesterday, covered with big win today. That's awesome. That's how we do it. Do you think it's time to buy? No, man. That's it. I'm going to let this run, guys. I'm not going to close this trade until and unless it wants to come back to, tap me in for a break even. But again, as I said 100 times, this strategy is a runner. That's a 313 trade right there. Okay. That's a runner. 313. Sorry, 313. That always is a runner. All right. I'm going to take these off so that it's not, yeah. So, boys and girls, thank you. Thank you, Mr. Sheikh. Thank you, man. Bro, how did you do that? Can you please explain this to everyone waiting for retest? Milan, bro, that's the 313 strategy, man. I'll show you, bro. It's the indicator that's also gave me away. All right. There you go. You see that, bro? Right there. That's 3, 1, and 3. Price came back to tap it. That's where we entered. We called it out. Stop loss goes above the supply candle right there. You see that? Let me show you. Hold on. Guys, 3, sorry, 1, 2, 3 candles, 1 candle supply, 3 candles after. That's the entry right there. Okay, price came back. You have to see how perfectly this tap, man. See how perfectly tap the supply. This is what I'm talking about when it comes to accuracy. Look at this tap right there. You see this is the supply candle. You see that tap, tap and then fall. I'm so happy today, man. I'm so happy, guys. I was telling you that I will catch this in live someday. I think it's today, man. I think it's today. Let's see. It's not done yet. If this runs to 1 is to 40, you'll know for a fact that I caught it. Ranjit says, "Way to go, bro. See you on Monday live. Waiting to hear you hitting your target in Discord." Ranjit, thanks a lot, man. I'll also talk to you on Sunday. Guys, I'll be here for the next 15 minutes. Let's see what happens to this trade. And then I'll bugger off. So thank you for being with me. I took that 3 and 3 with you. I kept $2,000 SL actually. Oh, Crystal, bro. That's freaking awesome, man. You banked $20,000 on that one, bro. Bro, that's life-changing money for me, man. That's awesome, bro. Well done, bro. Congrats, man. Never chase trades, guys. There's always a lot of opportunities in the market. Absolutely. Love your mindset, leaving profit on the table and sticking to rules. Not an easy thing to do. It has been struggling to hold my winners for a long time. You're an inspiration. Chandra, bro, thank you so much. Guys, if you want to catch monsters, you have to have a strategy that runs. This is the strategy for me that runs. This is the strategy that gives me standard 1 is to 3. That's a standard 1 is to 3 right there, man. But this strategy, I don't care if I take a break even on this, but I want a 1 is to 30 or a 1 is to 20 with this. Wherever it ends up during Tokyo events, bro, you know Arvind is there catching that. All right. Thank you, man. Appreciate it. Gonna work on it. Absolutely, guys. You keep working on it. Nice work. But thank you, Mo. Ronald. Guys, thank you so much, man. Means a lot. A lot of congratulations are in order. New 313 signal pops up. Guys, listen, there is an important confluence I haven't disclosed yet. Again, I'm saying this 1,000 times. This 313 might not work because it doesn't sit with my confluence. That secret confluence only happened here. Okay. That's why I entered. That's why I didn't take all these 313 trades. Look at this, guys. Listen, there are two more signals here. I didn't take them. Why? Because it didn't sit well with the confluence that I have. That is a very important confluence. Even now, you see the signal pop up. See, it will not work, man. Please try to understand that fact. You have to be very patient with this. The secret is not out yet. Maybe in the course, if you get it and read it, you'll know the secret. But right now, this won't work, man. So I'm going to close that indicator. I don't want to confuse people. Do not enter here, keeping your stop loss there, man, because that's a huge stop loss right there. If you enter so late, when my trade is actually running with what? With a 1 is to 10, actually a 1 is to 11, bro, you're going to get hit, man. God, that was good. 303 is the strategy, bro. If you're new here, I'll put that in the. Hold on, hold on. I will put the link in the description for the strategy. That's just a strategy that we use, that I use. Give me 1 second, people. Let's see this in the 5 minutes. How about that? Yeah, there you go. It actually looks a lot better. All right, I'm going to put that strategy on the comments like I usually do, but I forgot to do it. Copy. Give me 1 second, boys. Guys, I think this might be the day that this strategy gives us a monster, man. I'm having that feeling, guys. Give me 1 second. I know there's a lot of comments coming in. I'm just posting the video so that you guys can learn from it. I'm actually shaking right now. Oh, wow. Bro, YouTube is actually showing me an ad now. Guys, it's hilarious. Guys, that's the strategy. 3 on 3, you can find that strategy there. It's very simple, man. But full disclosure, there is an indicator. So there is a confluence that I use that I haven't disclosed. So that's that. All right. What is Ash? Ash right here is the aggressive stop and zone. That's also the next strategy that we use. Guys, this is just glorious, man. Brother, Bitcoin say, I don't see Bitcoin, man. Way too much money, bro. 20, bro. You gotta understand, man. He risked $2,000 on that trade. That's not easy to risk. So you get that TP with that, man. That's a huge risk to take, especially in a strategy where I have close to a 5% win rate. Bro, that's balls right there, man. Please tell the secret, lol. Yeah, man, Aditya, that's a custom indicator. My best friend built it for me. I will give that out for free next week. If you guys haven't joined the Discord, please do. That's where I'm going to release that indicator for free. All right. Congratulations again, bro. Lovely trade it was. Rajat, bro, thank you so much, man. I mean, Ash, you wish. 128 on live, man. Congratulations. Thank you so much, bro. Guys, come on. We've hit two TPs on live, and I've just got 75 likes. That's mean, bro. Come on. I'm kidding, bro. Thank you so much for all the likes. Really appreciate it. We are having fun with this. That's monstrous, man. Guys, always patience gets rewarded because all this sideways movement, as we were talking about, was given out with a huge movement to the downside. That is glorious. Hey Raj, how's it going, bro? I took only one TP because I placed one trade. Man, I had two trades here. Remember? That's the first trade that was running. That's the second trade that's running right now. Crystal Shadows is using Guardian funded account. That's awesome, man. $160 profit. That's good, bro. Guys, listen. Anything and everything counts and matters. Do not think of $160 as low and $20,000 as high. Imagine this. Today, yeah, you're trading with maybe 25K account or a 50K account. Imagine we caught this with the funding of $2 million. What will happen to your life and your family? Just imagine that. Right now, guys, we are in very early stages. You guys have caught me with 1,500 subs. I'm very early to this YouTube live game, right? But I'm going to keep doing this every single day. Stick with me. Thank you for sticking with me for so long. If you do stick with me, I will show you levels in the growth. Okay. Right now, I'm trading with a 25K account. Guys, the goal, the dream is to get to $2 million in funding. When that happens, guys, I would have taken this with $10,000 stop loss. Right now, we would have been sitting in maybe 1 is to 10 is what? $100,000. So it will come. It's just a matter of your account size. So right now, if you got a 160, that's amazing. Do not compare yourselves with someone who got a $20,000 profit because that's his account size. We're not in the same league yet, but we will get there. All right. Do not stress about the little money that you saw because listen, even I saw the same amount of money that you did. You see this? Once $157 for the first trade. That's all I got. But it won't be the same thing. And the next trade is running. Like, see, the next trade is running at a $400 profit. It is running. It will run. If it decides to come back, take my break even, so be it. But if it decides to go to a 1 is to 40, I will pass this account right today. So that's the difference of this strategy. But what I'm trying to say is, guys, do not compare yourself with other people. Same race, different distance. All right. We guys are just joining the race. Those guys are running far ahead. All right. Don't worry about the account size. Right now, all you do is you execute. Once you pass $25,000 to $50,000 accounts, then the game changes a little bit. Get your first payout, reinvest 50% of what you've got into other accounts. So you increase your capital. This is how you grow. Think about this in the long term. Do not worry about you making peanuts right now. I'm not worrying about it because I know after 6 months to a year, we're going to be sitting down with $1 million to $2 million in funding. With that, that's when the game changes. All right. Please do not compare yourselves with others. Guys, same race. All right. Starting points and the distance, starting point might be the same, but the distance between you and them is way different. All right. Think about that. Don't rush it. For the first timer in the stream, you're putting on quite a show. Impressed. Arun Kumar, bro, thank you so much for joining, man. Um, lot of pleasure from my end to have you all. 121 of you here. Thank you so much for sticking with me, guys, because we did have a very, very bad week 10 days ago. But this week has been glorious, man. So I forgot to do a few things. I will do it with you on live. So what's today? Oh, I totally forgot about the other trades, man. God, guys, I keep doing this, man. Guys, I have taken one TP, but that doesn't stop there. I have to be looking for other trades. Shoot. So remember, I get two trades per day. God. Right now, I can't be looking for longs, so I'll be looking for shorts. Do I have other trades to the other? Sorry, that's a good zone right there. So I'm gonna. That TP was good, so I completely forgot about my process. So guys, I still have another trade. If it's in the short, I'll take it. That didn't. So if let's say this closes as the green candle, I will take that as the next ash zone, and I will be looking for another short here, all right? So any shot that comes through, because I can't take trades towards the long end, I will take other shots here, man. But I will also draw this out. Hold on. I don't want to miss another TP, bro. Hold on. I've missed way too many TPs, bro. Yeah, that's a good stop on zone right there. I'm just marking those so that I don't miss anything, right? So if price gets down there, I look for trades, or if price creates a stop on zone here and then goes for a low, I'll get that too, all right? So other than that, let's focus on the process. I'm also looking at this break. If price breaks below again, I look for another shot, right? So let's do the usual. How many pips did we catch? I'm going to post that. Let's go through the. Yo, I think my best friend put it here, man. Bro, he put that TP already. Today's the 24th, right? Thank you, my brother. Me and my best friend, we both share this. This is our journal. So I think he's already, yeah, he's right there, bro. He's already put that TP here, man. That's good. So, guys, for this month, out of 20 trades we have taken with this strategy, we have won 11 trades. That's over a 50% win rate, I think. Why does it show 35%? I'm not sure. So we took, out of 31 trades. Oh, God. Out of 31 trades, we've got 11 TPs, 20 losses. We're up for the month, man. That's awesome, bro. That's awesome. That's the actual raw data, people. It's not all rainbows and sunshines. It's just the truth, my guys. So if this closes green, I'll be very happy because I want this to become a zone. Let's see if that closes green in the. Hold on. Guys, I'll be here for the next 5 minutes. Let's see if I could give you guys another trade before I go. That was the original TP that got hit. Bro. Yo, in the futures, bro, price did take stop loss, man. Wow. But in in the spot market, it did not take us out. Look at this. I'm very surprised, man. That's the futures trade, I think. Yeah, that's this morning, bro. Yo, I'm very happy, man. Yo, lucky guy, bro, today. All right, guys, this I have confirmed this as a zone. If price breaks below and gives me a confirmation towards the downside, I will take another sell, man. Hopefully that happens in the next 10 minutes. If it does happen, I'll show you the next trade that I take, as usual. Let's see. So for right now, let me send this to Discord. Guys, if you haven't already joined Discord, please do. I do update everything in Discord, man. So talking of Discord, I'm gonna share today's so that you guys know for a fact that I'm not bluffing anyone here. It's not about bluffing people, it's about showing transparency. So that's today's trade. 157, 157, $157 up, 1,584 pips. That took almost 3 hours. 1,584. So I'm going to enter it here so that you guys can see. Guys, I know there's a lot of comments. I'll come back to it, okay? So we're going to change this as usual. This is the 9 yards that we usually do. Those are the pips that I'm entering right now, okay? What is this one? So the last one was 3,800 pips. This one was just 1,584. That's a 1 is to 3. 1,000, 1,584, right? I'm going to copy this. I'm going to apply this for both of the charts. Apply it. That's it. So lucky trade, man. We didn't get taken out there. I'm very happy. But this trade is still running, guys. It will run. Okay. I don't care if I take a break even here, man. I do not care. That's the strategy. All right. Coming back to the comments. But I am really vigilant on what's going to happen at this area. Okay. I will try to take a shot there. Ash. All right. Let's see. Let's wait and watch. Hold on. All right. So that's running right now. Coming back to the comments, man. Congrats on the TP, bro. Danny, thank you, man. Yo, congrats for staying for the TP, bro. It's midnight, not even midnight. It's almost early morning for you, man. I'm very surprised that you're still here, bro. Congrats, man. I'm using Blue Guardian. That's awesome. Congrats on the first payout, bro. Aditya, I haven't had my first payout, man. Don't worry. For the first time in this, I saw that 5K account, bro. Thanks for supporting. Love it, man. Do you keep switching 1 minute to confirm 3 on 3 entry? Yeah, I do keep switching. I keep seeing it in my phone. Usually I stay on the 5 minutes, but to catch 3 on 3s, I keep switching between 1 minute and 3 minutes. Okay, sorry, 5 minutes. Why do you stay for another 50? Why don't you stay for another 15 minutes to provide us the second trade, Kristen? Let's do that, man. I'll stay for another 15 minutes today. Let's see if I get another trade, so that you guys get to hop on that too. I'll stay, man. I'll take that request, bro. Today is special, man. And let's see what happens to this one, right? So let's see. Anu joined Discord. Welcome. A lot of people also joined Discord. Welcome, people. Happy to see you, John Discord. Any re-entry, bro? Bro, if price goes back to break even, I will be getting off the trade in break even because price is already tapped 1 is to 10 risk to reward. I will take a break even when price gets to the price, so which is 40, 43.3. If not, bro, this is going to be running for the whole session. I don't care where it's running to. This will be running for the whole session. Okay, that's how I've got 1 is to 23s and 1 is to 25s before this. So that's how. Printing money. Remember the mask guy? What's his name? Um, I forgot his name, man. What is his name, bro? The guy who says with the mask, printing money. Guys, Callisto, right? Callisto. Is that right? How many dollars do you need to pass the account? Nidhi, bro, right now, where's the account? Right now, bro, I'm at 24,000 almost. At 24, I need $2,200 more. So if this runs to a 1 is to 20, bro, I'll be very close to passing the account. Why don't you stay? Okay, I did. Did you close it? No, bro, this is running, man. As you saw, the trade is running up and down. Amazing trick. Teach me how you do it. I'm new here from Pakistan. Bro, it's not a trick, man. It's a strategy, bro. Strategy has both losses and profits. Let's see, man. I'm trying to teach you guys. Any trades is running? Yeah, man, it is running, my brothers. You see that? That's running right now, bro. That's a sell. You see this? That's actually running right now. That's live, man. Guys, 100% transparency with everything and anything that I do. I have zero hopes of faking you out, man. Danny, yeah, bro. Bro, you got to see one of those good days, man. Again, Danny, not every day will be as I say, rainbows and sunshines. Some days will be gloomy. You got to get through those to get to these, right? So it's all a part and parcel of trading, guys. Again, not every day will give you the dopamine of these trades. You will get good days, okayish days, and then bad days. You got to get through those bad days, boys. I can actually share my profits with you. Thank you. Bro, thank you for saying that, man. It really means a lot that you have that thought in your brain, but appreciate it, my brother. I'm very happy that you took that with that much of risk because, bro, Christian, bro, listen, not every trade of 3 on 3 will work out like this. Okay, I'm going to show you the trades. Bro, for this whole month, I've taken what? Let me show you. 18 losses, Christian, bro, for this strategy. The only TP I took was a 1 to 2.5 with the strategy. But that being said, on the month of May, we took 14 losses and just 4 TPs. Those 4 TPs were 1 to 25, 1 to 12, 1 to 7, and a 1 to 3. You got to assess your risk because, again, not all days are good, not all days are bad. Guys, I'm giving you full disclosure on the strategy. Very low win rate, very high risk to reward because in a matter of 3 minutes, I think in a matter of 5 minutes, this ran to a 1 to 10. It has the possibility to do it. But again, you have to be patient. You have to be very patient to get it, right? Yes, Callisto, I'm a member of his group. Paul, bro, all the best, man. Even I was a member. I had his, I was actually subscribed to his broker, so I had his premium. Bro, lost a lot of money with him, man. So I stopped. Good morning, sir. I'm late this morning. Please just stay on for us to, sorry? Stay on this forever, please. Yo, I will come to live every day, boys and girls. Especially for you people. You can't sell now, my brother. I'm waiting for the next entry. If it shows up within the next 10 minutes, I'll take it. If not, know that I'll be looking for other stop on zones and entries. So this is the ash zone I'm waiting for now. Other zones are, hold on. Other zones are way up, sorry, way down here, man. So 4,000 in the futures market. Right now, guys, you got to be very patient with this strategy because if this ends up being a 1 is to 40, boys and girls, I'm passing that account. From -8% in drawdown to passing an account will be a story to tell, won't it? Yeah, I will make that video. Don't worry. You also get the payout from the account you've taken. Yo, if I get to that stage, bro, I will show it to you, man. Live. Totally understood, bro. You gotta face different faces. That's how it is. Danny, man. Yo, in my mind, bro, you're having a different level of respect because you stayed for this long throughout the night. And I also have other people from, I think, Uganda and Nigeria who are also here in the night timings and early mornings. Bro, hats off, man. No words, bro. Yeah, bro. Funding pips prop firm, man. Yes. Can you give us 5? What does that mean? 5 take profits? Thank you, bro. Banked some good coin from your call. You're welcome, man. Appreciate it, bro. Guys, I usually bugger off at this time. I think 5 minutes before I should have buggered off. Right now, I'm just waiting so that I get to show you guys the next entry in the cell if it comes through. Let's see, guys. Raman joined Discord. PA1285 down Discord. Welcome, welcome, people. Bro, can you suggest a prop firm that works hassle-free for Indian traders, especially for deposits and withdrawals, looking for reliable payouts and smooth payment process? Thanks. Bro, I'll call you AK because that's easier. AK, bro, if you're Indian, I'm Indian too. I'm from Chennai, South India. Just go with funding pips, man. You can buy it with your credit card or your Visa debit cards. I'm with funding pips. I haven't had any issues with them stopping me out mid-trade or, um, I've not had people complain about payouts until now. Guys, I haven't got to the stage where I'm getting multiple payouts. It's still pending. But as of now, guys, I've had no issues with funding pips. I'd suggest you go with funding pips, man. Again, I'm not sponsored by them. It's just my own opinion. If they give me money, that'll be awesome because I already like them. I should email them, man. I think I should email them. All right. Can we sell entry now? Not yet, boys. I'm waiting for this ash zone. If price gets there, bro, I will let you know, man. But I'll be here again only for the next 9 minutes, guys. I've been doing this for the last 3.5 hours almost. I'm exhausted, man. Thank you. I'm a premium member, but I no longer take the signals. In fact, I don't want no signals anymore. I just working and mastering my strategy. Paul, that's the perfect mindset, man. Guys, even I was in the same place wherein I was taking premiums from other people and trying to learn them. Signals, premium and signals, okay? Yeah, I bought courses. I'm happy with that. Buying courses is good because you're learning from them, other than just them giving you signals, feeding you every day. If that tap stops, you're done. Okay? That's the hard part. So I think Callisto was one of the last people I actually stopped my signal buying and trading strategies with. And that is when my actual life changed in terms of me trying to build my own strategy, focusing on it, focusing on the discipline and the execution side of it. Guys, your life will change when you stop getting signals from other people. Don't go for signals, man. Understand how they trade. Yeah, buy their courses, but do not just get the fish, bro. Learn how to do it, man. Do I still show my trades offline? No, man, I don't give my signals, bro. Signals are not, I'm completely against it, bro. This second trade I took, it's amazing. Olu, man, thank you. Yo, even Olu is here with us, I think, since early morning. Bro, what's the time there, man, right now? You're welcome, bro. Hey, mate, new here, want to learn. Let's see how we go. Anuj, bro, welcome, man. Thank you for joining. Guys, means a lot with all the support here. But I'm going to be very careful on the 5 minute zones because if I get anything new here, I'll take it. Right? If I get another red candle here, I will make this the next ash zone. This zone right here. If this becomes red, I'll wait for this zone. Okay? I want that as red. Let's see, 1.5 minutes to close. I'll keep you posted, guys. Guys, again, remember, I get 4 trades every day. This was trade number one. That's trade number two. I still have 2 more trades left for the day. You never know what's going to happen, right? Hats off your dedication, man. Bro, thank you so much, man. You know, to be honest, guys, it's been very tough in the last 2.5 years. I don't have any words to describe the last 2.5 years that I've been through doing it full time. Man, I'm yet to make some bread on gold, bro. It's been it's been a ride, man. Yeah, I don't want to get emotional here, but I know for a fact that all this will be worth it after a couple of years. I'll look back at this day and think every single second was worth it. Okay, so I'm gonna hold on, bro. Thank you for saying that, though. It See, Olu, for Olu, it's 4:23 a.m., bro. Bro, hats off to the dedication, my brother. That's amazing, man. Did it close? Did the 5 minute close in red? No, man, it closed green. So I'm still waiting on that. I'm sorry of all the back and forth because I'm looking for a trade, right? Hi, bro, Praveen. How's it going? I'm based in Melbourne. We'll try and watch you every day. What time is your live? Anuj, bro, I come live in Tokyo begins, man. I'm not sure what time it is for you. For Indian Standard Time, it's 5:30 a.m., bro. From your second entry point, what are you waiting that you're waiting? Will you sell or buy? This is the point. Oh, you're talking about the second ash trade that I put. Yo, when I'm in a sell trade, that especially with 3 on 3, I'm waiting for another sell trade. That's it. I'm only waiting for sells because there's two reasons. 3 on 3 is very powerful when it comes to long-term holding. Second reason is I can't take buys when I'm already in sells. So that's the second reason. I'm gonna wait for this, guys. Guys, this has, again, this has the probability of running to a 1 is to 20. Right now, it's running, I think, 1 is to 8 risk to reward. Again, we can actually make big money here. You use leverage. Bro, this is a prop firm account, right? So it's a standard 1 is to 100 leverage, bro. We can understand your pain. Every successful man behind has powerful story. I'm also Chennai Crumpet. Hi, bro. Thank you for saying that, man. Guys, again, like he said, every single successful person will have horror stories like mine. My journey did not start today. It started 9 years ago. I've gone through things that you can only imagine of. Going to Canada, getting my ass whooped for 7 years in minus 30. Guys, I have a lot of stories, but this is not the day for that. But respect, man. Thank you for understanding, bro. It's not been easy, guys. तेरे हिंदी बोल तो दिखाओ थोड़ा हिंदी बोल के दिखाओ मुझे तो थोड़ा हिंदी आता है पर बहुत दिन हो गया बोल के guys I do know Hindi I am pretty decent but I'm not gonna do it man. Good morning sir in Oanda allowed for trading in India this you cannot trade with your personal accounts guys you have to trade it with funding accounts because it's not legal in India all right guys I'll be here for the next 2 minutes I'll be done with this session. I'm sorry if I don't have any trades to show live, but if I do take a TP after this, I will post it in Discord. Apologies. That's why I keep telling you guys learn it, learn the strategy, right? We will share those stories during the trip, bro. Definitely, man. Guys, put this date in your put this date in your calendar. 2028 Jan 22nd. We will meet in Thailand. Sorry, Indonesia, Bali for that matter. Bali 2028 Jan 22nd. All right, put that date. So I'm seeing first time today your channel. I'm from Chennai ICF. New beginner, sir. Guide me for good trade. Bro, listen, if you're a new beginner, thank you so much for joining. Stick with me. I'll give you pointers on how to start trading. You can be on this journey with me. You will learn, man. But thank you for being here. Buy karun kya? Bro, I'm looking for sales from here, man. All right, please make a setup video, bro. Bro, those videos are in the comments, bro. I've pinned those videos. You can take a look at it. Mohammed, man, see you, bro. Guys, last minute, I'll be here. If I get a trade, fine. If not, I'll bugger off. What's the TP for the running trade? Olu, bro, listen carefully. 313 trades. I let them run throughout the session because it's a runner. It's a runner strategy. I'll only close it. It's a time-based exit, okay? Make sure you're getting this right. I'll only close it. Right now, it's 9 a.m. for me, almost 9 a.m. for me. I'll close it at 12:29. So after 9 to 10, 10 to 11, 11 to 12, 3 hours and 29 minutes, I'll close this trade. Exactly. So you'll know exactly how much I made. That's the entry, that's the stop loss. If this trade runs until that point, without taking a break even of mine, which is up here, I will close it. All right. Very interesting going Thailand. Yes, that is something that we have planned with the community. The plan is to go to actually Bali for that matter. The plan is to have a trip paid by me. Take care of the um, I'll take care of the resort as well as the food for 2 days. All you have to do is fly to Bali, man. That's it. That's on the 22nd of Jan 2028. That's on the cards, guys. All right. Boys and girls, it was a complete pleasure, but I didn't get a trade here. I'm so sorry. I wish we got one together, another one. But hold on. This looks good. Hold on, hold on, hold on. Hold that. Hold that thought right there. Two reds. I'll look for a sell here, man. If this Caltex gets broken, if I get a trade towards the downside. All right, okay. Maybe next 5 minutes I'll be here, all right? Maybe the next 5 minutes. If this candle takes this high, I'll wait for a trade with you, all right? Okay. Sundar, bro, missed the entry. I'm sorry, man. May I enter in the same place, bro? No, bro. I will take a break even when trade goes to that same place. Do not enter there. My confidences are done. Trade went well over a 1 is to 10. So right now I'm sitting in a break even. I would not suggest for you to re-enter that trade. Lucky, good morning, bro. Guys, listen. This trade miraculously was a TP because In the futures chart, that's the comics chart. That should have been an SL, but miraculously, that got saved in the spot chart. You see this high right there? Yo, that was not taken, bro. Look at that. Yo, that was awesome, man. Wasn't taken. So lucky us for today, but tomorrow maybe the different story, right? So target, it's a time-based exit, guys. I'm not gonna again. Tala eagerly waiting for Bali meetup. You will join me? Sure, bro. Just fly there, bro. I'll take a view, guys. Okay? Just fly to Bali. That's the date. You can book it now. I will be there, man. You can quote me on that. I will be in Bali at that date. Okay? I will give you the details in Discord when the time comes, 6 months prior. But right now, that's the date. 22nd Jan 2028. Yeah, bro. I'm from India, man. I'm from South India. Gold me sell side का trade hold क्या करूं sir? Guys, Ayush bro, I'm gonna hold it, okay? I'm gonna hold it until Tokyo ends. If either of these zones get broken, I'm looking for a sell. So price breaks, strong closure towards the downside, stop loss goes above the break. That's the strategy with stop hunt. Remember? I will execute that. Right now, I'm just waiting to see in the next, if this candle closes without the closure, I'm gonna go off because guys, I've been doing this for 3.5 hours. I'm exhausted, man. Are you live on weekends? No, bro. Only weekdays, man. Only weekdays, 5:30 to 5. So 8:45, 3 hours and 15 minutes. Only gold, boys. Muhammad, bro. That's it. 22nd, 01, 2028 in Bali. Quoted. Bro, I will be in YouTube. If I don't get there, bro, you can ask me a question. Why aren't you in Bali, Arvind, with your community? That date, bro. I'm in there. Bros, I'm 31, bro. I'm 31 years old, man. Which chart will you watch for futures and gold? Comex, bro. That's what I'm watching right now. Comex. Guys, one more minute and I'll bugger off, man. Have a great weekend. See you next week. Guys, again, it's been a magnificent week so far. Guys, that's been glorious, man. Look at this week. 1 is to 3s every single day, boys. Now that's a glorious week. Not a single negative day in terms of stop on strategy. Yeah, our the other strategy is down minus $25 for the week, but this strategy just risking $50, guys. Right now, you'll be able to see this. We're up 533 bucks for the week, risking 50. That's a 1 is to 10 right there, man. What a week, boys. Look at the RR right there. That's how many? Five 1 is to 3s. 3 stop losses for the week for this strategy. I think this is the best week I've had with this strategy, man. Hands down, best week. Again, disclaimer, not every week is like that. Look at this week. How many stop losses? 2, 4, 6, 8, 9 stop losses and 1 TP. Guys, I am the most transparent guy out there. You can quote me on that. This is everything that I've taken thus far. All right. On that note, I'm done for today. Guys, if you're new here, thank you so much for joining. Guys, this is Arvind Rangaswamy signing off. I hope you had a great day. Remember, I am going to hold this trade throughout the session, no matter what. If price comes back to break even, so be it. All right. If price decides to go to this right here, a 1 is to 27, note this down. I'm going to be there to book it. All right, guys, exit that trade at 12:29 IST sharp. That's the end of Tokyo sessions. This is Arvind Rangaswamy signing off. Thank you so much for joining me and for the week. See you guys next week. Take care, people.